Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 467. Can Ethereum break all-time highs and alts pumping? This technical analysis for crypto. If you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter in case you want to also engage with us there. Let's see what's going on with the chat. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? You must sure, man. It's on the list. Yeah, Jake, I got him, dude. I wrote him down. Thanks for letting me know, man. Thanks for being here as well, man. Astro, yo, what's up? Let's make some money. Yeah, let's make some money, dude. Hopefully he's there. Yeah, I seen it. Marcel Twardog, yo, what's up? Unmute. Thanks. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 467. Can Ethereum break all-time highs and alts pumping? Technical news for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. I wasn't muted. Oh, Andrew said on mute, so I thought I was muted, bro. Okay, cool. I get that. I thought I was muted, so I just went over it again. New channel, Calvin. How's it going, man? Thank you for being here. A lot's going on, man. I finished. Yeah, when I'm muted and you see me here, I'm not talking. I'm just finishing setting up. For some reason, like there's stuff here that's not showing. I should be seeing the stream, the health and the data for the stream, the analytics, the chat. It's not really loading properly, so that's why I was looking at this. I haven't even posted that I'm live because he's not giving me the link to tell me that I am live. So. Yeah, I wasn't sure like if everything was going on right with this. I saw the chat going on, but I wasn't seeing too many other things going on there, man. What's up, Daniel? Notorious. What? Thanks for not being all strong. Dude, I didn't do any of those things, but thanks, man. I'm not sure. Maybe you can. Um, so let me go to the stream because I'm not loading the data, man, and it's important that I can see the data because I'm not seeing how many people are live, etc. Now here it is, man. Finally got it to show. Now is everything here? Yeah. Title's fine. Description's there. Yeah, everything's there, man. Okay, cool. That works. I wasn't getting the link so I could share it on the Discord that we were live and on Twitter. So sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that small mishap. It's one of those small things that happens when you come live, right? Like there's all these small imperfections that sometimes happen. So thank you all for being here. And let's get going. Twitch. Yeah, Red is real. But guess what, man? I got finally monetized on the channel, which is pretty cool, right? There might be ads that run at the beginning, so that's pretty interesting, right? Let's roll, man. Let's keep it going. Let's start with the markets and see what's going on, man. Yeah, there were some pre-stream requests. I got them. I'm not sure if anyone else wrote anything else. Yuma, Andrew already put it there, so that's fine. I listed it. Let's keep this rolling, dude. What's this? Korean. He's asking me to check his tips on Brave. So yeah, dude, I'll check him out for sure, man. No worries, right? What? Yo, Jake, that's awesome, dude. Thanks, bro. First super chat. Thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. Is it logging me in? I don't think it's logging me in, dude. What? Weird. Korean, I'm gonna have to check that off the air, bro, because it's asking me to sign in. I was already signed in. Thanks, man. Yeah. What's up? Can I check out Cardano? Sure, man. It's gonna go on the list. What? Crypto Vase, $3 tip. Dude, Andrew, thanks so much for that, bro. And the little emoji of the chicken with the thumb up. Thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. Wow, it's pretty cool, man. I never had this going on, so interesting. I'm going to have to get used to this. For some reason, the messages don't display on here. So, I'm not sure. I think I need to see how to get them read, like when someone tips. Thanks for letting me know. Let's start rolling, right? Let's get going on with this. Sorry, Korean dude. I'm gonna have to check that later on in the stream. Thanks for letting me know. They sent a tip on Brave. So what's happening, guys? Let's move on and start checking out the technicals, right? Total market cap. What's happening with it? It rose yesterday, 0.28%, $2.84 billion. Today, moving down, actually gaining 0.01%, $154 million. Again. We're still above $1 trillion market cap, which is insane when you think about it. It's a huge number, right? So, on that note, that's market cap, right? It's still climbing slightly. It's fine. Bitcoin dominance at 66.41% of market cap. Lost dominance yesterday. Losing dominance today also, right? And it will already open tomorrow for the market, so... That is fine. Let's go to the daily though. Oh, sorry. Total market cap. I was looking at it on the 1 hour. What the hell? We gained 2.11, 21 billion yesterday. Today going up 1.36%, approximately 13.87 billion. Sorry guys, I had the wrong chart time frame because I was looking at Ethereum prior to the stream starting because it was taking off, dude. Right? Ethereum is really performing at 1,336. It was a little bit higher earlier. I was really looking at it from going like really high, right? Anyways, Bitcoin dominance. Gain dominance yesterday 0.12. Today, losing 0.74, and again, that's part of the reason that, Bitcoin's still not falling in price, it's still positive, but also really taking off, and that's why the name of the stream is, alts pumping, right? Someone getting beat? No. The kids are, opening and closing the door and screaming. They don't want to go to bed. So, where are we at here, man? Remember, we had a, sort of gap, we closed it. Now we're trying to go up on dominance, which is good at 37,025. I mean, we're still above where we're at right now. So we're looking for potential price action to the upside on the markets, again, to try to catch up to that futures price on Bitcoin. And it's sitting at 36,857 right now for Bitcoin, right? So where are we at? Rejecting 37,275 twice already, right? So we did go up. If you remember, we had this hidden divergence here. We called it out. We said price action to the upside potentially, right? We found that support at the 20, taking that pop again, rejecting 37,275. Targets have been there since yesterday. The kids be like, Ethereum. Yeah, dude, they're crazy, dude. Like, my daughter doesn't want to go to sleep. Like, she missed her nap, her sleeping hour, and she's just like running around the house. So, yeah, it's crazy. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, low, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's fine. Nothing here that I'm seeing, right? High, low, positive is positive, high on the other side's lower point. Now this crosses MACD, right? Over the RSI, that's fine. That happened around 2 in the morning, 6 in the morning, right? So we've been going up slightly. And again, not worried about this yet. I don't like the fact that we're rejecting 37,275 twice, right? So neutral at 52.63. John Smith, Ethereum or XTZ? Ethereum Classic or XTZ? Dude, not sure. Probably Tezos. If you ask for my preference, I would say Tezos. I'm not sure what you want to know about them, but if you're asking one or the other, I would say Tezos. And David Green saying, Bitcoin bullish or bearish? Consolidating sideways. Right, David, I hope that answers your question. Similar to an area prior to August, 12K. I'm not sure, man. We'll have to look at August, around 12K. Again, we're consolidating, right? Look, it's a giant triangle. We talked about it a while back, so. August. Oh, dude, I went way back there. August. So August 12th. No, it looks different, right? Look here, everything was upsloping, right? We had a sort of like an upsloping channel happening here back in August. I do get the question now, and that's why I'm going to address it right now because we're on Bitcoin. We had this upsloping channel that we ended up breaking to the downside, right? Something like that. Here it's looking a lot different now. The story is different, right? Look at this. Doesn't look anything like back there. Anyways, on that note, I'm going to go and check out Bitcoin on this other chart. I do believe this is a chart where we had the triangle that we were talking about, and I actually even corrected it and adjusted it, right? So this was not the main triangle, I think. No, this is not the main one. This had an upsloping channel that we broke out of, but this upsloping channel was a little bit smaller than the one from August, right? The one from August was much larger upsloping channel. So on that note, is it this chart then? Or I have the triangle? Yeah. So I was looking at the potential triangle forming here, right? And, you know, we still haven't gone up and down again, so we're just tightening here very quickly, as you can tell. So I'm going to readjust. I'm going to go with the wicks, or the closing here, the wick, then closing, right? And as you can tell, we started to like come really, really close. The Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten a lot, right? And that gives us that area for potential action movement, right? When volatility leaves the market, the Bollinger Bands tighten, and when the Bollinger Bands expand, volatility comes back, it hits, and then it just explodes. We don't know where it's going to explode, unfortunately. Bollinger Bands doesn't tell us that, and the fact that we're in a triangle doesn't explain that. So I'm going to get rid of this potential pattern that I was drawing here for, like, you know, consolidation. You know how usually you see it in a triangle. And we left that line there to make the triangle smaller because we could be within that smaller triangle, right? Now that being said, let's go back to the chart we usually look at. So we have, last thing we had was bearish divergence. We hadn't created anything until yesterday, and we still have not created anything until right now. We're neutral at 52.52 on the RSI. The only thing we have to go on right now is the 1 hour chart and the half-hour chart, which is where a lot of things have been happening. Now, if you're in the Discord, you got me saying this earlier on today, and this also later on today, right? So I know we knew we had some bearish divergence, and I pointed out and I sent it on the Discord, right? It was on trading charts and ideas for crypto, right? Or crypto trading charts and ideas. So if you're there and I notice that there's something going on, you'll get the message, right? Or you'll get the chart there. So I do have a daytime job that I also do, so I'm not as available sometimes if the workflow is slow. Might be able to chat or engage a little bit more, but I do try to post stuff if I see something happening, particularly if it's interesting, right, and explains movements that we're expecting to see in the market. So we did go to the half hour. I'm gonna come back here, right? But we did go to the half hour yesterday, and the last thing we had called was this one, right? Hidden bullish, action to the opposite. We started to rally. Then we broke down afterwards, right, on strong bearish divergence, right, against the MACD. Right, so that's what happened on the half hour. And then we broke down. We started to move down. So, that was around 6 in the morning. So this was the first thing I posted, right, the first chart. Moving down, that's fine. And then, low, high, negative. I do believe we're making it less negative. 141, 127, high. Low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point. That's fine there. Now, high to low. Where we at here, man? I'm really going to have to check it out here. 65.83, 65.97, slightly higher. And that's going to give us some hidden bearish divergence, right? And that hidden bearish divergence usually comes with action to the downside. We're starting to see that go down. We might go to that 20 and find support. Again, I don't like the fact that Bitcoin is rejecting for the second time 37,275. I really wanted to see above that area. It moves us up to that 39 K area, right? 38, 39 range, which is where we want to be. The more we stay in this range, the more we reject 37,275. We could start losing strength and start moving down towards that 34,000 area and even that 33,000 area. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Here, right? So make sure everything's good here. We'll be maxed out for Ethereum. We haven't done Ethereum yet. We'll do it in a second. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel. So in the 1 hour, I'm also trying to check for divergence. 62.05, 61, slightly lower, so that's fine. High, low. Last thing we had is a strong bullish trying to go up again. So this movement down doesn't have anything bearish. This is hidden bullish. Prior to that, we had strong bearish against the MACD, and against the RSI, we had hidden bearish. Right, so hidden bearish against the RSI, strong bearish against the MACD, moving down, creating the hidden bullish, trying to rally, but failing to go higher than the previous high. Thus, we're looking at potential movement down. Again, primary target right now would be the 20. That 20 sitting at 36,419. And we'll see where it goes from there, right? Cyan Bitcoin algo trading. No whiskey today. No whiskey today, man. It is Monday night, bro. Korean Battle Sai, you hope got the donation. I haven't been able to check yet, man. It needs me to log in. It's gonna send me an email. I don't want to do this stuff as I'm live. I'll check it out when I'm offline. I'll let you know for sure, bro. Right? And then we can talk about the tips that you gave me tomorrow. So we'll acknowledge them here as well. Jorge Tobar reverse cup and handle on what time scale? The 1 hour. You want to look at something like this, maybe, like the cup and the handle, something like this. Yeah, it could be right. Yeah, we could see the potential forming of a reverse cup and handle, but I'm not sure if this is actually going to play out because we're not getting any. We're not getting anything strong there, man, and we're not getting anything strong to the upside or the downside. So we're just like, yep, we made that handle. Now we're just going up slightly, sideways, and not really doing much with Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is just there, right? It's moving sideways. Remember what we said? When Bitcoin moves sideways, we're gonna get alts pumping, right? Ethereum pumps so hard you almost shat yourself. Yeah, I know. Ethereum pump hard, bro, and that is pretty cool because that's precisely what we're telling you guys. When Bitcoin moves sideways, right, we're gonna get alts to pump. And look at precisely what happened with Ethereum. Ethereum at $1,330.19. So look at this, very, very nice movements up on Ethereum. On the daily, yesterday managed to gain 2%, right? And it got us right to to resistance, right, at 1,261. Then today we're already pumping, and we're trying to go for that 1,389 and maybe reclaim the all-time high, which would be really, really cool if Ethereum manages to get up there. Now, do we have stuff that is there that shouldn't be right now? Yeah, but again, be cautious because this is going to start forming, right? It's not declared yet. And we see this also indecision happening in the MACD and the signal line where they're just intermingling but really failing to trigger one way or the other. So what I'm seeing here is that we're coming up higher. Right? Let's get rid of this on the half hour. There we go. And then high to low, right? So positive, less positive. On the other side, high to low. Strong bearish divergence, right? But saying that, this is the first positive momentum that's starting to build. So we could get a couple more islands building, and that could bring the price action to the upside. Maybe hit all-time highs, still have bearish divergence, and then reject all-time highs. That would be really cool, right? That is a potential possibility. I'm not saying it's going to be cool that we're going to reject all-time highs, but at least we're going to be reaching them. And if we have divergence, we're going to break down, and it's going to be really cool because it's going to give us a chance to move slightly down and try to burst through that 1,420. And then it's going to be really good for Ethereum, right? Because then we're in price discovery mode. That's when we start making new highs. Like, you know, everything goes crazy, and it looks really, really cool. So, if you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Let's go to the 4-hour Ethereum. High, higher, high, right, high, higher, high, then high to low, right? Positive, less positive. Where are we at here? 63, 65. Here we're coming up higher on the other side, so that's fine. Just against the MACD, where we have this strong bearish divergence for action to the downside, but again, it's also starting to build. Look, it's the first bar that we have, or column, on the new positive momentum island. So it could go on building. We also just got this cross of the MACD over the signal line. And we know that when we get those crosses, right, particularly when we get them below the zero line, we get nice action to the upside. When we get above, we do get some, not as nice as when we get them below the zero line, but it could still play it out to where Ethereum reaches at least 1,389. If not, its all-time high on this chart, which was at 1,420. Bitcoin's high today was 1,000. Sorry, did I say 13,000? 1,389 and 1,420. So Ethereum high right now is at 1,347, right? That's the highest week it's made. Hello from Germany to Mexico. Thank you, Nine Danka, for being here. Oh man, I see the big money sign. Yeah, Steve, we got monetization today approved. Isn't that cool, dude? Like, I woke up and I just looked at my email. It was like at 5 in the morning. It put a big smile on my face. So that was wild. Had to set everything up. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. So that's cool. A lot of people were asking about that the last couple of days. So, you know, it's there now. So awesome. Thank you for being here. Yeah, Josh. I live in Mexico. I've said it plenty of times in the stream. Anyways, that's it for Ethereum on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side of the hard point. We don't have anything bearish here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side of the hard point. We didn't have anything bullish either. So it's just running, right? On Bitcoin going like sideways. So yesterday we knew Bitcoin was going to go stagnant. You're in San Diego, we're neighbors? Yeah, kind of. So we knew Bitcoin was stagnating, and part of the things that we've been saying right over the last couple of days is that when Bitcoin stagnates or starts to move sideways, alts are probably going to start moving, right? So the fact that Bitcoin's just basically in the same range that it's been for the last couple of days, and that is just giving that sort of like freedom to the alts to move, right? We're in Mexico, Mexico City. Some dude saying Ethereum is going to go to 2K after it breaks all-time high. I doubt it, dude. Small targets, right? Small targets first. Get above 1,500, which is probably going to be strong psychological resistance there, right? We'll see. Yeah. Ethereum on the 1 hour, right? We don't have anything bearish. It looks good. High, low, possible, positive, high, on the other side, low. Everything's good, man. I think that nice pump. So the only thing I was worried about is that we're gonna have something way back here on the other side, right? Because it's the highest point we had. So, but it's still overbought and then still highly overbought. So maybe the half hour Ethereum might give us clues, but even I doubt that because we're just took off, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a hard point. So again, we didn't have anything bearish, as you can tell. Look, we just went up higher. Everything's going high, right? And so we are doing what it looks like right now to be some kind of parabolic move, right? Or curvature happening here on Ethereum. So we'll just leave that like that for now. I wish I had more touch points for us to be able to declare this right now on Ethereum and have better hits along the curve. But right now this will suffice. And let's keep it rolling. That's it for Ethereum again. Ethereum can potentially get up there, right? Doesn't have anything to deny its move. It just needs to want to pump, right? People want to need to get hyped. Bearish divergence in Bitcoin, dude. We just finished Bitcoin, Crypto Legend, dude. I'll do it again in a recap. There's not that many coins lined up yet, so the recap might be sooner than expected, and we'll see where we're at. Joshua, yeah. Dude, crazy. Let's go to XRP, dude. XRP at 29.06. Why is it going up? Well, because, Bitcoin's stagnating. And it's moving up slightly. It's not even just moving up that, strong, right? Still on that channel, 27.911 to 29.894. Sitting at 21.10 cents. It's not really doing much. It's just there, right? Neutral at 45.63. It looks like sideways still. And even when we come here, we had bullish divergence, right? We had this strong bullish divergence. It is pumping up. That's fine. But it's really not going insanely high. It's just got above the 20. Hasn't even gone to this resistance, right? If it gets above 29.89, we could be targeting 32.76 cents. Again, I don't have anything against XRP. It's just failing to perform heavily, right? And you're starting to develop this hidden bearish divergence. Remember, hidden bearish divergence is one of those things that takes a lot of strength to shake off, right? So it's not going to get rid of it quickly. It also has it against the RSI, so there's a chance it might start to do a U-turn and start to head south. So let's see how XRP is going to play. And again, this could still pop all the way up here, make more positive momentum, and we'll still have that divergence. So watch out for it. It's there. Not sure if it's going to trigger right now, though. Right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, one of the biggest cities on Earth, man. The 1 hour chart. It does have bearish divergence right now. Higher. This could be part of the reason that we're failing to really just push through, right? And then high to low. But if it shakes this off, it's not really hard for it to shake it off. It just needs to pump a little bit more like it's doing right now. And it's going to make more positive momentum. It's going to get rid of this. It's really easy for Ethereum to get rid of this right now. Because it's really almost nothing that it has to pump to get rid of it. Sorry, XRP. For XRP to pump. I just said Ethereum. We're in XRP. Bought at 66.997 and then right now at 66.43 high to low. Right. So we also have this hidden bearish divergence. Right. But if XRP manages to move slightly higher, it's going to shake this off, and it could really just get up to that 29 cent mark, 29.80, 29.89. That's a target. Right. But that bearish divergence, again, if it kicks in, very likely retest of 27.911. Let's see for XRP. Let's move on to Litecoin. Right. What is going on with Litecoin? On the daily. Auto adjust, there we go. We don't have anything happening on the daily. High, low, positive was positive, or positive, negative, high, low on the RSI. Neutral at 59.15. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, the last thing we had on the 1 hour on the daily was that hidden bullish. Right now here we also have this hidden bullish, starting to get it to go high, about to try to test that $164.78 mark. And as we're nearing that point, we're clear. This is an island. It does have separation. So low, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. Bought at 63.68. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sure, bro, we can do BCH. No worries. Low ring breaking out, causing Ethereum to pump. Not sure, man. I think Ethereum can do its own thing, right? Ethereum's strong enough to do its own thing, not depending on loop ring or any other alts being there to pump it, right? It's just its own crypto. So we have strong bearish divergence again, right? High, higher, high, positive, less positive. We don't have it against the RSI, but we have it against the MACD, and that could mean potential action to downside on Litecoin if we are to move down. The 20 would be the primary target. We might try to find some kind of support here at 154. But again, 149 would be the 20, and that's where we could be aiming for if it does determine that it wants to drop on the strong bearish divergence that it has right now. Let's go to Binance at 44.65. Yo, Calvin, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Hi to Oregon. And you're hoping Bitcoin keeps chilling for another week or so? Yeah, I also hope Bitcoin keeps on chilling for about a week or so. It'll give time to consolidate its current level, which is going to be good. And it's going to let the alts move a little bit, which is really, really interesting. Louis Dota, what's up, dude? Can I check out EDA? How much lower can it go? Sure, bro. That skips all the queue, bro. Cardano moving up to the #1 position after we do Binance, right? Because it came with an awesome tip from Louis Dota. Thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. It's really cool to have finally set up this, dude, right? Bernardo Costa, what's up, bro? Everything's good? Good evening? Yeah, everything's good. How are things on your end, man? Let's keep rolling. By the way, I ordered mic today, and I changed the goal. Now we have a new goal for the stream. It's up there. It's for a quieter mouse because, the poll came back negative, saying that a lot of people rather have me get a new mouse, and I showed that yesterday. Michael Rosario, thanks for being here. Michael Rosario, thanks for being here again. So yeah, on that note, the new target is a mouse and RAM for the computer because I need more RAM in it, and that should also help the stream be a lot better. So again, everything that I get here for the stream, it's just to improve the quality of the content that you guys get. So awesome. So the mic should be getting in probably next week or so, and the stream deck after February, I think. So those are the targets that Amazon gave me. The stream deck's like sold out everywhere. I couldn't find it. So, but awesome stuff, dudes. I'm gonna be able to like make more stuff on the stream, and it's gonna make it managing so much better, which in the end is gonna turn into a better experience for you guys also. Crypto Legend saying don't get a new mouse. You'll see, man. We'll see. We'll run another poll once we hit the goal, and we'll see whether or not we're gonna run another mouse or not. Right. Good evening, Ethereum go boom. Yes, Cardi go Ethereum go boom because Bitcoin's stagnating. So yeah. Support the Bitcoin. There's no support. That's a resistance. It's at 37,000 still. It hasn't broken it. Rey 0456 hasn't broken it. So yeah, it's still there. High, low, low, high, right? Low. Do we make more negative momentum here? No, that's the question here on Binance. But first, let's do it on the daily, right? We haven't done it on the daily. We had bearish divergence. We're moving down again, very close to a 20 today. Still moving down. So again, starting to flag after moving up. It's fine. It's consolidating. Bought at 64.04. Let's go to the 4 hour. Still went slightly higher. And this, for real, just tracks onto there, right? So, and this tracks onto there. And still going from high to low. Still plays out. And then here we're going 67, 86, 67, 14. Slightly higher. So this is good. Nothing here against the RSI. Just right now, neutral 58.54. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. We move down slightly. Low, high. Did we make more negative? Now, this is where I was going to look at when I was this low, or so negative, less negative, right? So no, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point, low on the price, low, high, and then on the other side, low, high as well. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, neutral. Yeah, 50.02. Crypto Legends, you gonna study? Peace out. If anybody moves market, I'll jump back on. All right, well, just make sure you get the recap of Bitcoin, bro. It was at the beginning of the stream. You can just watch it again. And thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. Good luck with your studies, bro. Right on. So that's it for this part. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Help us grow the channel. We've been through a great growth phase, and I'm really thankful to all of you for helping out. It's a community effort, because like a channel, it's not just me, it's all of us, and it doesn't get done without you guys helping and subscribing and being here. So thank you for that. So hit that like for reals. Let's keep rolling. First request of the night: skip the queue because of an awesome tip from Louis Dada, and it goes to Cardano. Cardano's queue is like, just skip the queue. It went from coin number 7 to coin number 1 on the queue. So awesome takeover move there. Let's go to the 1 hour. What do we had? Bearish divergence, action, downside. Yesterday we did go up, hit that 40.7. That's fine. Came back down, found support and closed at 37.02. Right now we're opening and moving down in the day. If the day doesn't come bullish for Cardano, we're looking for a retest of 33.88. But if it still has like 20 hours and 22 minutes to go to get above 37.02. If that happens, that's going to be interesting, right? Above the clouds, Litecoin. I already did that. That was the 4th coin we checked out, right? So thank you for asking, dude. Acro, sure, man. Hope Ethereum holds over 1,300. I also hope Ethereum holds that area, man. XRP, I already did that one too as well. That was the 3rd coin above the clouds. Bought at 69.14. That's it, right? Again, if it gets above this area, 37.02, it's going to be good. So we really want to see this move up. Let's go check out the 4 hour. Yeah, thanks, Jake. I will. GRT is not on the list yet, I think. No, it's already on the list. It's going to be queued up. 2 more coins. And then we'll do GRT. So thanks for asking, Kato, and thanks for being here. ADA on the 4 hour, right? We had bearish divergence. Moving down on that. That's fine. Got very, very close to that 40.71. So again, here it's where I really question the integrity of the charts, because according to this chart, we got to a high of 41.49, but we go into the 4 hour, we don't see that high, right? I think the highest point we got is 39.92. So again, whether or not it's fine on the daily or the 4 hour, it starts to become a little bit muddled. And I don't like it when the charts do that. It happens to a couple other charts. It just means it's bad data on the exchange. Bearish divergence held or battled for support for the longest time. It really didn't want to lose that 37.02. Remember how I said we could try to hold on to this? We lost it, finally, at 10 in the morning. And then we still flirted with it this last 4 hour candle, and we're too weak, and now we're breaking below. But we're finding support at the 20, which is okay. Low, high, negative, less negative. Now, here we have another negative island that I'm going to have to check. And I do believe we're going to be making hidden bullish. And we are, I think. So let me anchor this here on the 4 hour. And, yep, look at that, right? Low to high, right? So hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside of reversal happening. And that could get us above that 37.02 mark. And even looking for that 40.71 area. Wi-Fi, sure, bro. VT's on queue. Yeah, you queued it, bro. It's the 4th coin, because we had requests from the donors on the chat. So yeah. VGX, sure. KSM's not on cue, Bernardo. Giant Grand Underation. I'm a pimp. No, I'm not a pimp. But thanks for asking. Link. Yeah, might be interesting link, right? I think no one's queued link so far. And so good. Let's keep it rolling. Anyways, ADA. Again, bullish. Hidden bullish. Let's see if it manages to hold and get above 37.02. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had bearishness, right? We had hidden bullish. We tried to rally, but failed to get higher than the previous high, right? Remember, hidden bullish, we failed to get above higher than the previous high. Looking for a moving down continuation of this bearishness. It's moving down. And as we're coming lower, we are creating that strong bullish divergence, right? Look, it's tilted here, coming lower, right? And we are still going from negative to less negative, right? Just like that. So, strong bullish divergence slanted within the same island for potential action to the upside. And trying to go for the 37.02. And we're going to have immediate resistance there because the 20 moving average on the 1 hour is also there. So we're going to hit double resistance on the way up. Right now, sitting neutral at 43.94. But again, it has bullishness on the 1 hour. It has bullishness on the 4 hour. So it has a good chance of triggering, right? Just keep that in mind for Cardano. Where are we at with the fibs? We didn't have fibs for this. I don't think we have fibs for Cardano. Oh, we do. We're getting above the 1618. Now, for this chart, I'm going to be turning on the 2618, the 3618, and the 4618, which I didn't have on, but there we go. We're heading for the 2618, which is at 42.50, right? So if we get above 40 cents, next resistance at 42. With that, that is it for Cardano. Let's go check out DOT. High, higher, right? High, low. Bearish divergence, strong. Action to the downside, moving down. Again, remember how we said we want to consolidate, do a flag. This is getting really high. Hit the 3618, so it's really doing good. But consolidation, it allows it to maybe try to pump again, and that's what we want. Overbought at 71.56. 71.58 now. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, strong. Action to the downside. Hitting that 20, trying to pop, that's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative. Low, there's such a hard point. Right, so here. Low, high. And negative, more negative, right? Again, hidden bullish. Potential action for stalling and reversal to happen, right? So good stuff. We're starting to flag. We're starting to create this hidden bullish. Could be looking for a new rally to come and get above that $20 mark for DOT. That would be interesting. Right now, sitting at, we'll be getting above the 1927 mark. And probably aim for that $20. Right now, it's $16.67, right? That's pretty cool. Jake, do I have any Star Wars Legos back there? No, I don't. My kid does have Star Wars Legos. They're somewhere in the house, but not in the office. This is just Lego Batman. We just haven't replaced it because he's actively playing actually more with the Lego Star Wars figurines. So yeah. I know, right, Steve? Those are the questions that matter. Who, where, what, when, and how, right? Bought at 60.06. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. Don't know, we had this bullish divergence strong for potential action to the upside. It did go up, but it didn't go up with a lot of strength, right? High low possible is positive. That's fine. Let's actually zoom in here. And here, I'm going to skip over a small island of positive momentum, but it's just almost non-existent. And this is the only reason I'm going to skip over this here. And just draw a straight line from here to here and say, look, we have strong bullish divergence. We're trying to get above that 20, but we're failing consistently on DOT to get above that 20. That's not good. We're really just trying to burst through this area and expand the Bollinger Bands to the upside and get and target 19.22 and then probably $20. Neutral at 48.42. Again, not the most bullish indicator when you're failing to break above the 20, but it is what we have right now, and hopefully you can get another go at it, get above that area, and try to pump. Rejecting the 20 would very likely mean more action to the downside. So we can still build this, right? still have a little bit less negative momentum. But here also, we're about to get that cross with the MACD over the signal line. That would be an indicator that we're looking for if we are above the 200 moving average, right? That would be, according to MACD strategy, a good in, and we are above that 200. So if this crosses, it could be a good in, and it could potentially try to target that $20 mark. Just keep that in mind for DOT on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour also. Sorry, on the 1 hour. That's it for DOT. Let's do GRT now. What? I said a crypto new goal? What do you mean new goal? I don't get it, Steve. Let me know what you mean. There's a new goal up there, and there's a new goal down there for subs as well. So there are new goals, right? New goals, 2,500 subs and 5,000 subs and 10,000 subs. Let's see if we can get those, right? How many SNX? Is this an X on the list? Yeah, it's coin number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the one we're going to do right now. So after GRT, it's going to be 3 more. Did I get your message from for GRT? Can I use the fibs on GRT? Sure, bro. I'll do fibs. I think we have fibs for the graph. So, Julian, do I use stream elements? Yes, I do. Vexy0. I just started mining. Any tips? Great content, by the way. Thank you for that. I don't mind. Jake minds. He might be able to give you some tips on that. Your kids are bringing brats tonight? Yeah, my kids were bringing brats tonight also. I think they're asleep now. New goal for Star Wars Legos in the background. Yeah, the channel blew up if you insisted on Christmas lights. Yeah, I agree, bro. But they're off tonight, right? I need to get like better LEDs for the background at some point in time. That should be one of the goals for the stream, like so we can have better illumination. There's already something that's going to be coming in. That's going to be going somewhere around here where I have my finger on that shelf hanging. And it's going to be like a ticker that's going to have cryptos just running through it. At least 10 cryptos running through it. And that's going to be pretty wild. We'll see how good that is when we're live. But someone's actually hooking me up with those, which is pretty cool. I'll tell you who in a second. The Graphy. Dude, I can't type for anything tonight. Come on, the graph. We have fibs there. So yes, we have fibs. Ken, Air Korean Battle Sai, thank you for that. Am I sponsored by Michelin? No. That would be cool though, right? This ad space, if you guys want me to sponsor something, let me know and I'll put it there, man. I have a lot of hats. I already established that. Nitro, Ascendo Banco. Oh, dude. Ferrari hats. Mercedes-Benz hats. I have a lot of hats here on the side, bro. I have like a hat collection there. Just usually right now, like for some reason I like this blue one, the way it looks on the screen, and then sometimes I just want to use the camel one or a black one, you know. It really just depends. But this is basically going to be at some point in time if some coin wants to like send me a hat for me to wear and we can agree on something, I could wear it for like, you know, sort of like a advertisement for them, I guess. So yeah, it's advertising space. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to the graph. Yuma is 1, 2, 3, 4 after the graph, Andrew. So it's not that long on the list. Actually, the list is not that long. After Acro, XBG would be the 10th coin that's been requested so far. So it's not a very long list today, right? Anyways, the graph on the daily moving down, rejecting the 236, which is okay. We knew it was a chance we were going to do that. We even broke the support at 58.89, and we wicked almost all the way down to 55.02. But we're bouncing back, and we're trying to see if we're going to hold support at 382. We still have a lot of hours to go, right? So let's see how the graph keeps on behaving throughout the day. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. There's nothing here to look at. The 4-hour chart, again, rejection. Look, we closed above that 236 for one candle. Then we rejected, moved down. rejecting that 382 and trying to move back up, which is fine. Let's see if it holds on to support here. If it breaks the 382, let's see if it can find support at 55.02. So that's it for the graph. The 4 hour, because we're going higher, more positive, higher on the RSI, nothing bearish really. So just trying to tank, right? Probably pull back on the fact that it's overbought. Consolidation happening, something like that going on, right? Again, it doesn't have any technicals on the 4 hour for a dump. So maybe the 1 hour has something. Bought at 62.85. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Look, on the 1 hour we had bearish divergence to here. And were we to keep on tracking it, we would have noticed that it kept on developing, right? Still there, right? And even here on this last bit, I'm pretty sure we're probably going to have something here as well. Do we have it? Yeah, it's tiny, but it's there, man. I can see it. I can see it. It's very tiny, dude. Where did it close? 64.60, and then here it's at 64.70. So 0.001 higher, but it's there. Strong bearish divergence, right? Potential fraction to the downside, moving down. Here, move down to support, right, at 58.89. Then we popped. Rejection again. Support popped again. Did we go higher also? We might have. 64.70, 64, 66, slightly less actually. So no, nothing there. And yeah, so we're looking for this bearish divergence. We don't have it in the second part. Right? We have it on the second part here as well. So here, we had it to here, right, where we're looking for first. Move down support. Then just track it to there. Bearish divergence, right? Against the MACD. Move down again. Then against the MACD and the RSI, moving down on that. Failed to get higher in the previous high. Triggers. It gives continuation to the bearish divergence. So right now, again, trying to pull back up. Let's see how the graph is going to hold on right now. Neutral at 46.65 on the RSI. You can tell, yes, I read my kids' bedtime stories sometimes. Hello, everyone. Tots on XRP getting a big bump before majority of exchanges put them on hold. Jason Floor, I'm not sure, bro. I think we're going to see stagnation happening for XRP. I have a prediction. I don't do predictions, man. I look at technicals and we project data. We haven't looked at Aave. Joshua says he gives his kids bedtime whiskey. Huh. Cool. Right. Right, let's keep it rolling. That's it for the graph. Again, it has fibs, right? Batusai, it's there. They're there, man. Alright, I have fibs out. And they're being well respected and bounced across, right? Rejection at potential areas, so the fibs are good. XLM up next. Can't remember which XLM chart we look at. I think it's this one. Bitfinex, yep. Again, also fibs. Really, really trying to hold on to that 382, man. Right on the 1 hour. Look at that. Really fighting for it. And now worth more than XRP. Also, wow. The flippant of the XLM. Wait, is XRP still in the top 5, or did it already get kicked by DOT? It was very, very close. I can't remember. No, Cardano was about to remove it from its position, right? It's like 2 billion, and then it's gone from top 5. Which is going to be interesting for XRP. Low high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence moving down again, consolidating. Got above that 382 at 29.79. And again, try to hold on to support yesterday and today. It's going down, but really hasn't touched that support, so we might try to hold on to support today. Bought at 63.90. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Reg! Hey, just joined the stream. What's Bitcoin saying now? Bitcoin's saying I move sideways. Right on. Well, let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We move down. And then we're just moving sideways. Great. Not really doing a lot. And look how down we moved, because we're here live when we're looking at this, right? And we just moved really, really far down on that, right? So to there. There you go. and then just sideways. So we haven't created anything. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, on the other side to higher point. Neutral still at 53.60, so really not doing much on XLM. Tightness on the Bollinger Bands was coming in on the 4 hour. Let's see, the 1 hour also had tightness. About to expand them to the upside, but rejecting for some reason. I'm going to check. We might have divergence. High, low. I have to make these larger. High, low as well. Low, high. Great, there it is. Low to high, and high to low, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Stalling and moving down. Heading for that 20. That would be the potential target at 30.09. But again, it's really performing better than XRP. Neutral is 52.09. That's it, dude. There's really not a lot happening for XLM right now. If we lose a 20 again, aiming for support at 29.82. If we get above that area, we're probably going to have some resistance that we've manufactured now up here. And it looks like this is a real area, right? Look at this. Held support, right? Then held support, then support here. Then, resisted, and it might be a resistance at 31.93. So, something to watch out for XLM. That's it for XLM. Let's go to VT, dude. VChain, then 6NX, and then Yuma. By the way, if you guys don't know why some of these coins are taking a little bit more to come up, is because of the following reason. We do have pre-stream requests for everyone that is here, right? So y'all get the pre-stream request, and then Jake tells me there's something live also that I missed. But there's pre-stream requests for everyone. Anyone that comes here live can put stuff on the pre-stream requests. But if you tip, right, we also want you to get something back. So you also get to skip the queue from just regular pre-stream requests. So basically, if you donate, you can come in here, this area. You let us know who you are on the Discord. We'll give you that access. So for example, today, Andrew donated. So Andrew's also going to get access to donator role. Anyone that's donated tonight, Louis Doda, you're also going to get access to the donator role. And with that, we're looking for you guys to be able to at least queue stuff earlier, right? And you're gonna queue stuff earlier, and then you're gonna go ahead the people that are just here regularly that also have access to pre-stream requests, and you're both skipping just the requests that come live, right? So we had 3 coins. One of them got skipped because I got a tip on the air, and it was from Louis, and he said, "Can you check ADA?" So I had to skip the queue for ADA. Right, and that's why everything got bumped. So if you want to bump a coin, or you want to skip something, you can send a tip, and I'll just do it immediately after the coin I'm doing, and you'll just basically move the queue, right? So that's fine. So we're all clear on that, I guess. Thank you for being here and sticking around. Joel, do I think Ethereum will hit all-time high tonight? I'm not sure yet. I want to go back to Ethereum. It's interesting. I do believe we can hit it. I'm not sure if it's going to hit it tonight. Right? That's something we're looking at. Follow us on YouTube if you're on the other platforms. And thank you for being here and joining us. Let me check this. Oh, Sansarismo. What's up, bro? He sent troll. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Sorry if I didn't see your text earlier. It's been super busy with YouTube, and it's just taking a lot of the chat lately. And by the time I look, it's just flowing so fast that I don't get to see a lot of the stuff, right? But thank you for being here, Sansarismo, and thanks for that troll, bro. PHA, sure, dude. And then we have ETC. Right. Let's keep rolling. We just finished LM. Let's go to VT. VT rejecting the 1618 again today. It went up that high. Yes, look. The 1618 is at 3.24 cents, and the high we got was 3.24 cents. So we hit it spot on, and we're rejecting. It doesn't look like it wants to get above that area right now. Pulling back down. Do we have something bearish? Yes, we do. We do. We developed it yesterday with the candle closing. Great. So high, higher. High, higher, high. And we're coming lower on this positive momentum. But also the same note that I made for Ethereum is this is just trying to develop, right? It's a very, very tiny positive momentum island. It can still go on building, right? Sometimes we do get short-lived islands, right? I'm not saying that we don't get them. But just think about the fact that it could go on building. We just got to cross the MACD over the signal line, so it could still trigger that bullishness. Could be getting intraday pullback before we actually run. Gonna probably see something more on the 4-hour and the 1 hour. So let's go there, man. Sorry, bought at 63.27. Something just keeps on running through his back of my throat. It's just weird. So this is 0.000382, and this is 390, so slightly higher. I was hunting for bearish divergence, right? I'm not seeing it. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. That's all good. Bought at 61.96, so nothing on the VET 4 hour. I'm seeing at 2.99 right now, 2.99 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, and here we have that bearish divergence, right? So great stuff, right? Low high. Right. So hidden bullish, rising on that. You're starting to create strong bearish. Moving down. Strong bearish divergence section to downside. Broke below 20, facing resistance. Not too good. But the only good thing we have is that we're starting to create hidden bullish again. And wow, look at that. Right as I was calling it. Great. It probably has a gap there on the trading. And as you can tell, nope, positions are very closed. Weird. We're neutral at 56.26. Trying to get above that 20, right, on hidden bullish. Great stuff happening for BET. If it does, you could try to get another go here at the 1618 at 32.40. So that's it for VT. Again, to the downside if we don't manage to get up above that area and reject the 20. We might try to find some support here. Even here around 28.5. I'll just put that line there right now. Because we were assisted once, twice, right? And then became support over all those wicks. So we might wick this area before we actually drop. So I'm going to call this a new potential area of support for VET in case of a movement down. But again, we know we're going to have some resistance up here at 3.2, sorry. So 2.8 would be the movement to the downside. See for VT, SNX, dude. What? Tristan Martinez gonna go back into stream. Thanks for TA. Sure. Why are you going back, dude? What do you need? I'm not sure what's going on, dude. But someone's telling Jake out. No, dude. Jake's mod. Your bro passed the bar. That's pretty tight, bro. Congrats, Joshua. That's interesting. Bob Mo, what up? Thank you for being here. Is State on the list? It's not on the list. Excellent. We already did it, man. It was literally the previous coin. So if you rewind a little bit, you're going to catch it. If not, you're going to have to wait for me to do the recap, Marcel. Or no, who was it that asked for Marcel said data, and then Joao Leal. You're going to have to rewind a little bit, or you got to wait for me to do the recap, but I'll put it here for recaps, right? BTC, ETH, and Theta. Oh, I also got to queue up DVT and RSR. Thanks, Joel. Cool stream. Thanks for being here, man. Joe, yeah, awesome, dude. Yeah, if you just wait a little bit, I'll do it again, right? So, no problem. I got it, Joaquin. He gonna tell pizza joke, but it's too cheesy. Forget it. Good evening, Bring Facts. How's it going for you, man? Let me keep on rolling. SNX up next. Again, hidden bullish, right? Let's see if it holds for VeChain. it's already 10. And just like that, it was 10. Sansarismo, troll went up 3 Satoshi. Really? That's crazy, Sansarismo. Thank you for letting me know that. Not sure exactly when you typed that, but again, I'm getting a lot of lag on the chat here from Twitch, man. Wow, it was like at 6 minutes ago. Wow, it's really not showing up as actively, dude. And like for reals, like like the YouTube chat just really moves up quickly. So it's pretty wild. But thank you, Sansarismo, for the troll, dude. I really appreciated that. Cool. I'm trying to keep up with the chat for Twitch also, which again, it's being eaten up by everything else. But a lot of people in the house. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Help me grow this awesome community on YouTube and on Twitch. So if you like it there, also hit follow, right? SNX, what's going on there, man? On the daily, nice, moving up, right? Bearish divergence, move down slightly. We still have it if we keep tracking, right? That's fine. Tracks onto there. Tracks onto there. We're still making bearish divergence on the SNX. It just fell into trigger, probably because it's super bullish. Remember, we're in a bullish trend. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So we're still bought at 75.62, but every time we go higher, we're still making less of that positive and been lower on the RSI. So not necessarily good. It's going to get exhausting. It's going to break down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence, actually on the downside, moving down. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high on the other side. Nothing bullish right now. Again, at 16.06 for SNX. We had bearish divergence, strong. That's the last time we called, and we moved down on that. Failed to go lower than the previous low. And thus we're stagnating a little bit. Let's go to the 1 hour. What? First monetized stream, Dono Train. Anyone? Wow, it's pretty cool. Thank you, Jake, for that, man. Much appreciated for those $2, man. I really, really appreciate that, man. That's really cool. Thank you guys for the awesome tips that you given tonight to the stream. Joshua is doing like the okay sign to Joel. Interesting. Let's keep rolling, dude. 1 hour is next. Last time we had was bullish divergence, hidden. So we moved up on that. High, low, positive was positive. High on our side, lower point. That's it, dude. High, low. Are we going sideways here, man? I'm really going to have to check. Slightly higher. 0.092, 0.092. Also, right now I just moved down, so sideways. Great. Now I'm going to have to check if we have something. So I'm going to have to leave that there. High to low. No, we don't, right? Because we're going from high to low, so that's fine. If it was going slightly higher, we would have had that. Now it's going slightly higher. Now it's down again. So we're facing a decision here, right? Right now it's going flat, so we don't have anything. If it pumps a little bit like it did right now, 0.095, we're creating hidden bearish, right? So again, it's struggling to determine what it wants to do, right? We're seeing bought at 64.80. Again, hasn't really kicked in, right? I'm going to go to the half hour just because I need to confirm whether or not this is going to kick in. Higher, positive, positive. It might not play out. That hidden divergence, we could get rid of it. So just keep that in mind, right? We have it right now. But it also might be short-lived. If this just goes above the previous high here at $16.17, right now at $16.13, we're going to get rid of it. So it's that very frail moment where you could keep it or get rid of it. So SNX, I'm actually going to put it on the revisit because I want to come back to it a little bit later on and see where it's at. Because right now it's like really trying to get rid of that. Doesn't know if it wants to have it or not. Cool. Let's go Yuma for our buddy Andrew who queued up earlier. Andrew, if you're still here, we're about to cover Yuma. So Yuma going higher. High. High, low, dude. Are we? Oh, tight. 79.22. What? 84.27. 84.28. It's almost there. Average Joe Crypto, thank you for being here, man. Everyone literally just ended streams. What? I just started like an hour ago. But thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. I always stream at this time. If you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and the sub. Cersei, come on, Ethereum. Yep. Anyways, higher. I was looking for bearish divergence. We don't have it. That's fine. You know, that's in the 1 hour though. Let's go to the daily first. Higher. Higher. It's going. It's good. It's pumping a lot. 11% already. So really good for Yuma, right? Really, others just some other enders. That's pretty good, I guess. Miss breakouts. Yeah, Yuma's doing good, man. Do we have another Yuma? Because we don't have fish for Yuma. We never fibbed it. I think we're not making a valid retrace at that time, but you know, I'm gonna fib it right now. We were making a valid retrace. We managed to get above that 3-2, now above the 50, or rejecting the 50. Interesting. Let's see how Yuma keeps on behaving. Let's go to the short time because I'm gonna adjust the fibs there. Is bad on the list? Nah, it's not on the list. Oh, Louis Duda. I'm not sure why the Nightbot deleted that, but I caught it briefly. It says if some coin on the list. Bat, I think. I'm not sure. Bat's on the list. I'll put it on the list. Bat's on the list. Sudar, can we put mana? Sure, bro. Why not? Closing requests right now. We're at 18 coins, including mana. I might open them after mana. I'm not sure what time we're going to be at, but for now, I'm not going to be looking at requests. Tristan, just a nick of time. Adam will be the last one. 19 coins. Last coin, though, right? After that, you know, try to use proper format, guys. It really helps me out a lot to find everything, right, on the list. But yeah, let's do Yuma. Higher. Where are we at here? 181, 178. So higher, right. And we're coming lower over here on the MACD. Not on the RSI. On the RSI, we're actually going higher still. So it just barely has this, right? It has that potential to undo it if it goes up to this level to $12 and what is it up here? $12.82. We're very likely going to get rid of the divergence that we have right now on the MACD, and it could just leave it clear to keep on running. Overbought at 77.37. That's it. And it has this potential. Before I go, that I just noticed potential. Strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Strong bearish against the MACD. Now strong bearish against the RSI. Right? What? Joshua, that didn't click on the stream, but what? Bro, that's crazy. Thanks for that tip, man. It just came up. Wow. Awesome, bro. Much appreciated. Guys, thanks so much for the support. It's so cool. Crypto TX needs to go to sleep. Thanks for the intel. Yeah, no worries. Louis Dota, another one. What? Can I do bat? Sure, I'll skip the queue for bat also, dude. So as soon as I finish Yuma, it's going to be bat. So bat skipping the queue now. All right. From position 17, it's moving to position 7 now. Wow, it really moved a lot. Interesting. Thanks for the awesome tips, guys. Yeah, thanks for the awesome tip, bro. Much appreciated. So, Yuma. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Overbought at 76.95. Again, there's a possibility for action to downside. It can get rid of it this very quickly against the MACD. Against the RSI, it might struggle a little bit more. 181, 175 still has it there. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Higher, look, moving above areas, right? And it's pretty cool. So we're moving above. I'm not sure which one I have here because now I have multiple ones, but I'm trying to determine what line I have up here. Oh, dude, it looks like it might be a 50%, but from a different time scale. Because I think we had fibs for Yuma, but not on the daily, on the shorter time scale. So I'm gonna get rid of this in the 1 hour, and it's probably gonna give me a clearer read now here on the 4. Yep, and on the 1 hour, right? So I'm getting rid of the double lines that we had, which is good. No, okay, cool. So we're trying to head up to that 50% line at $12.82. And do we have something? That's going to be an interesting question, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high, there, set to higher point. We bought at 84.01. Low, high, negative, low, high. Nothing bearish here, right? I'm not seeing anything bearish right now. Ooh, from way back here we do. And from here, right? High to low. Again, strong bearish is barely. It's barely there. This 84.27. This 84.01. If it pumps a little bit more, it's going to get rid of this divergence, right? Again, Yuma is probably going to be one of the projects that I'm going to have to roll back in before we end to make sure whether or not we're still holding on to this divergence, and then try to determine where we're going to go, because it's just on the verge of undoing the bearish divergence that it has. But looking good for Yuma, right? What? Someone said something. Steve said answer to someone, but I'm not sure what he said. Move BAT up. He donated. Yeah, I know. BAT just moved. Robin Bailey, what do you think about NMR? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at NMR in a while. So, up next, BAT. Dude, the basic attention token. What's it doing? The Batman of tokens. On the Kraken. Why not? I gotta see when the last time we looked at BAT was. It was probably a long time ago. So on this chart, we have data way back here on October 2019. What?
Smile. 5.060000.
What? Yasis Vandaro. What the hell? That's an awesome tip. Yo, that's crazy, dude. That's like $110. That's crazy. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. You're gonna help me reach that goal in like no time, for reals. Jesus. Now I'm gonna have to go buy the new mouse and the RAM that I need for the PC as well, man. Wow, thank you all so much for that. Really appreciate that. It's so crazy. Let's do BAT. So I'm looking at BAT. This one has data shorter time scale for us now. September the 20th. So we're gonna go with this chart. We haven't flipped it in a while. Doesn't have anything matching down here. What? Another? What? Mamba for Life? Yo, Mamba for Life. Thanks for the awesome super chat, bro. Thanks so much. Can I look at Keep Network? Yeah, let's keep up the queue for Keep Network as well. So BAT, then Keep Network. Right on. Awesome. So, BAT. I want to fib it, but this, look at this large wick that we have here. It really throws everything off. First of all, I'm going to hide the Bollinger Bands, just because it says not available. It should have Bollinger Bands. But let's hide them real quick, just because I want there we go. Fine. So it's not really moving the chart a lot. I really got to get rid of that so I can try to fib this. I can more or less see that's where it starts, and this is where it ends. What the heck? What? Mamba for Life sending out another $3.93 or 5 Canadian. Awesome, dude. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Guys, you're amazing. It's so cool to be receiving so much support tonight. Crazy, man. It's insane. Thanks, Mamba, for that next message that I rock. What chart site is this? It is TradingView. Right now I'm trying to peg the fibs. I know they're anchored properly up here. I need to find it down here, though. I'm probably going to have to zoom in a lot now. Sudar tip 9. Wow, thanks, man. Much appreciated. Also, thank you so much for that awesome tip, for reals, guys. What? Like every second that I try to like look at the chart, like I just keep hearing the blink. It's so cool. Thank you guys for the awesome support that you give this channel. I really, really appreciate that. For reals, like yeah, like you can probably tell from the smile on my face that it's so cool, guys. Let's keep it rolling. BAT. We are rejecting the 236, right? We got very close to it. Probably on pinpointing on the top. We would look at a perfect rejection, but we're rejecting this area. Let's see what we have here. We are creating strong bearish divergence on the daily within the same island. High higher, or high higher high, and then high low, right? And also high low. So positive high to low on the RSI. Bought at 63.46, and again, strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. That's what we're looking at right now. I do have the Bollinger Bands hidden. I'm gonna bring them out again. I want to see where we're at with regards to the 20, and I'm not sure what I did there. No, there we go. So we're above there. We took a bounce earlier. That's fine. We had strong bullish divergence before that, right? What? Derek, thank you, man. Thanks for that awesome $5 on tip, bro. Really, really appreciate that. So crazy. Thank you guys for that. Awesome tips and donations. I really, really appreciate that. About to hit 1.5K of subs. Really, AD? Are we really that close? Haven't looked. Thanks for letting me know, man. I'm not even sure where we're at. I forgot to write like where we were at when we started the stream, but thanks. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. Well, we're still at 1,384, so I'm going to write that number down. But thanks. 1.4, yeah. All right. Now, when you said that, I thought like we pumped numbers like crazy on the subs. I was like, what? Thanks, Derek, for the keep it up, dude. Thanks so much. Joshua Dorval, 1 sec. All right. Do I ever invert the charts? No. Why would I want to invert the charts for? Like we're going up or we're going down. If I invert them, we're still going to go up or down, but it's just going to be inverted. So, Machines of Time. What? I've been watching every stream. What? Some message coming up here. Sorry, I'm going to read that one. Mamba for life, another 5. What? That's crazy, man. Mamba $92. Look at Kip Network and $5 for being awesome. Yeah, I know. What? There's a lot of stuff going on. You won't say. I can't read it. I can't keep up with the chat. Machines of Time. Been watching every stream. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. I appreciate you totally digging this channel. Thank you so much for that, Machines of Time. If you guys like the content, hit the like, the bell, and sub. And Mamba, Jake also rocks. Also, can I add VT to the list? Yeah, I think VT, it wasn't on the list. Sure, man, I'll add it on the list right after Kip Network. So we'll do VT. Yeah, sure. Let's roll. A lot of stuff happening. Whoa, machines. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, guys. Thank you for the awesome tips. Wow, it's such an insane night. Let's keep rolling, guys. I gotta keep moving through this. BAT. I haven't even finished. Bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, right? That's where we're at. On the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right. We have some bearish divergence. For some reason, the music stopped, and it just feels too quiet. So I'm gonna have to play something else here on the background in a little bit. So. I think it's because I had Spotify ads on and they're running, right? So, what is this? 67, 66, right? High to low also, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside. So let me refresh Spotify real quick, play something else here on the background while I keep on doing BAT. That's it for BAT right now, right? On the 4 hour, we have strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside, moving down very close to that 20. That would have been the primary target. We are above the 20 moving average. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands coming in. That means we could try to pump, right? We could go either way. Double V, what's up, man? How's it going? Thanks for being here. Kale Blackstone, what's up? Oh, let's see. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, and dash, lower point. Low, high, great, man. This is cool. We had bearish divergence here. That is strong bearish divergence for action to the downside, right? Again, with this, we're looking for that move down. Neutral at 57.23. So that's it for BAT here on the 4 hour. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. What? Toad tips just keep on falling. I have to take a sip of whiskey. Keep up the good work. I have to take a sip of whiskey. I don't even have a glass near me. When thanks to Sanilo, when I take a small break to refill my water, I'll definitely grab a sip of whiskey, man. Right, let's keep rolling through BAT, man. The 1 hour. Now, here's where we're going to start doing bearish divergence as well. Low to high. What? 1 second, guys. And then high to low. Right. High to low. So we have strong bearish divergence also on the 1 hour BAT. So action to the downside, moving down, that's fine. Low, high, low, narrow side to a higher point on the MACD also. Low to high. So nothing bullish right now. Only on the shorter term. But I really would love to anchor from here because it's a main low. This is like a midterm low. Going from here to here. We are going to have some hidden bullish divergence. I'm just not sure how strong it's going to be from this area. Particularly because, look, it's from in here, right? But it would be much more powerful if we were anchoring from this low over here. But we could have it. It could go up. Might try to hit that 20 at 28.46. We'll see once we get there. And we'll see whether or not we reject. That's the move right now, or the potential move would be to that 20 moving average for BAT. So that's BAT on the list. Now we do keep network, right? Or yeah, keep network. Let's find that one. Who was it that requested Kip? Mamba, you. No, it wasn't Mamba. Yeah, it was Mamba. Is it ticker for Kip Network Kip? Because I never looked at it before, so I'm assuming it's this one at 31 cents, right, Mamba? Let me know. Let's get to 1,500 subs tonight for Ethereum. Yeah, that'll be awesome if we get to 1,500 subs tonight for Ethereum. Kip, awesome. Thanks for letting me know, man. Hello, chat. Hey, Hakeem Okoro. Okoro, yeah. Thanks for being here. Julianne Kurtz, what's up? Finally hit 1,300. Yeah, we hit it again, right? And we're trying to aim actually for 1,420, which is the all-time high. So, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub. I'm gonna do Keep Network after that. VT, and then I gotta refill my water, and we'll be back for the rest of the coins. So, let's keep rolling, right? Keep Network on the daily. Have a large wick here. I'm not sure if this is a proper data point. If it is, it got insane amount of pullback. It means it went to 80 cents and it just pulled all the way back down to 34. It's not good. That is usually bearish because you're seeing a lot of pullback or something happen here that it's off, right? It doesn't have a lot of data. That's fine. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, there, set to hard point. Nothing that I can check here for Rails and Kip. The only thing I can do is go from the high here to the low here and fib and see where we're at. As you can tell, we're above that 786 right now. Rejected, hit that 50, are bouncing on the way back up and getting above that 618. And really, that's about it for this, man. All right, so let's target that again. Try to get better reader numbers. Getting above that 30 cent mark, right? At 31 cents on the dot. Let's go to the 4 hour for Kip Network. Yeah, if you guys are on the Discord, let us know who you are. We'll add you to the donators part of the stream. And thanks for the awesome support, for reals. Mamba, another 2. What? Coinbase has more data? All right, I'll go to Coinbase. Kip. It's not showing up on Coinbase, bro. It's not showing up on Coinbase, man. It just shows up on Kraken, Mamba. But thanks for the awesome tip, bro. It was just there. I didn't see it. It just comes up as Kraken, and then I have Uniswap, Poloniex, OKEX, Uniswap, Poloniex, BME. So I'm not finding it there, man. So if you don't mind, I'll just keep on going to the one I have here on Kraken. Right. So on the 4 hour, the retrace might actually look a little bit better. So we'll go from here to the bottom, get rid of some of that noise that we had, and we're again above that 786. And here we hit the 618 right in the move down, and we're trying to reject that lower area, so it's okay for this right now on KIP network. Higher, positive, high, there's such a hard point, and then the previous one is high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, nothing bearish right now. Low, lower, negative, less, negative, more negative, low, and there's such a lower point, nothing bullish really. What? Doesn't have anything bullish, doesn't have anything bearish. I'm not sure why this had this massive pump. Got a lot of pullback right now. It's really trying to hold on to whatever momentum it gained and pumped. It's sitting bought at 65.78. I'm going to go to the 1 hour, man. I'm not finding anything here. Keep USD. Sure, double B. I'll check it out, dude. I'll write it down again. But look. Keep USD. It's only Kraken that shows up, bro. Right? Kraken. That's it. It's not showing up on Coinbase. Grant, I'm going to assume that probably a night out would cost you more. I'm not sure. Does she have expensive tastes? That would be the question. So on the 1 hour, high, higher, positive, more positive, higher to the higher point. We're not going to have anything here because it just pumped insanely. It's also showing on the 1 hour chart that it just went all the way to 80 cents. That's insane. But when we look back here, the only reason for the potential break that it's getting right now, or the only reason that I see, is this very small move here, where it's going slightly higher, and it is coming lower here, right? So that would make some strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. That's the only reason that I see this moving down. It's finding support at the 20, finding support at the 618. Dude, it's not looking bad, but I'm going to have to get rid of that data so I can look back here and see if we had something bullish, right? Right, so from here to here, there's hidden bullish. And high, higher, negative, less negative. Then low, high. All right, so we were creating hidden bullish, and that was getting us to run to the upside nicely, right? And strong bearish here for action to the downside. So with that, you know, we are looking at a potential movement up. Last thing we had is a hidden bullish, but then we just didn't create anything, right? Look, high, low, positive, less positive, high, low, and then, you know, hidden bullish kick in, and then you just went insane, right? Like boom, 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 and then we're there. So neutral at 55.33. That's it for KIP network. Again, I wish you had more data there, but it doesn't. So next VT, right? Because it also got skipped on the queue. Where's my B chain chart? Here it is. On the daily, we're rejected. We had already done VT. Oh, cool. That's why it's already there. We rejected the 1618. That's why, again, price action to downside, moving down, heading towards that 28.51. Potential target again, bearish divergence, strong, right? Bought at 61.22. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Where are we at there? On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. Action to the downside, managed to find some kind of support. I already did this larger. We were not making anything. 2, 0, 3, and then 1. So nope, negative, less negative, low, high. As we're coming up higher, we're just getting continuation, right, of whatever bullishness we had previously or could have had previously, and that we're getting that bounce. So bouncing above and getting above 2.85, sorry, not 28, 2.85. And we didn't have anything here, so we're also, I think we're bought. Right now we're neutral at 58.83. Let's go to the 1 hour. Did I have this one? No, I didn't have this one for revisit. So last thing we had was bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, we moved down, right? Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, not against the RSI. After that, we created hidden bullish. So price action to the upside. And when we were here, this was gapping, and it was up here trying to get above that 20, but right now it's failing. It gapped down, and it's real time to get above that area. So remember, hidden bullish is one of those things that you keep on dropping. You come all the way down here to the 28.2, sorry, not 28, 2.85 area, 2.85 cents, and still make more negative momentum, and it'll still be there, and you'll hold support and try to pump from there if it is to do the move down. If it wants to get above that 20 and it's looking bullish, it could try to go for this 32 and change, 32.45 cent area, right? So that's what we were looking for at VET. Thanks for asking, Mamba. Again, quick recap of VET. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. That's the next one on the list. We're back on the list now, right? So the queue is going to be Bitcoin Cash, Acro, VGX, Aave, PHA, Ethereum Classic, Theta, Devault, RSR, Mana, and Atom. That's how it's rolling. LOL loans. Please check VTH. So VeChain Thor or whatever that is. Dude, I already closed the request for the night, lol. But I'll see what I'm doing once I get to Atom, because it's already 10:37. I've been live for an hour and 36 minutes. I'm still gonna see if we're finishing this by 11 or 12 midnight. We'll see how much time we have left, and we might try to do BTHO. I'll write it down. I'm not gonna rule it out, right? But just keep in mind that we might not get to it, right? So there's already a lot of requests on the list. You have to put that smackdown on them soon. What? Who are you gonna smack down, Joshua? The Pitbull Salvo? What is that? That The Rock used to do? Yo, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get more water, guys. Right? Stick with me. If you haven't done it yet, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Definitely sub and definitely like. So, be right back. Here's my be right back. Hey guys, I am back. Thank you, Daniel Integrity Painting, for the $10 and your message. Thanks for late night videos. Thank you, man, for the support of the channel, and I'm glad I'm here. Thank you guys for sticking around through that small break. Someone asked me earlier to take a sip of whiskey on a tip, so here's my sip of whiskey. It's a small glass. I'm just gonna sip it. I'm not gonna shoot it even, and it's tiny. It's like a, I don't know, toy glass, I guess. It's neat. So there's a sip of whiskey that I owed. Thank you, man, for the awesome tip. What's Discord? You'll check it out. It's in the description, and Jake just posted it also. Let's keep it rolling. Let's do BCH, right? Bitcoin Cash. What's it doing, man? Let's go on the daily. Oh, wow. It looks ugly. There we go. Right, we're looking at a potential triangle, right, on a smaller time frame. That's fine. It might still be there. Breaking it to the upside, right, getting above the previous high that we had from probably June 2020. Yeah, February, sorry, 2020. That's when we hit it, right? Not June. February. Getting above that area, trying to find some support and bouncing, so that's good. At $520, high, low, positive, high, low. Nothing there. Bought at 60.56. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour. TMC Live, Martin, let's take a look at Ben. Dude, I'll write it down. I'm not sure if we're going to get to those coins, right? Already to Adam, it's going to be 21 coins that I have to look at, right? So, that we've been looking at. So, again, Ben, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do them, right? I'm writing it down. We'll see how, like we're doing by the time I finish the last project, which is going to be Adam. And then, we'll see how we're going to proceed from there. So, right on. Low, lower, negative. Did we make more negative here? Ooh, it looks like we might have. I'm actually going to have to check numbers. 287, 283, slightly less. So, yeah, it looks like this might play out, right? Low, lower, low. Right, just want to make sure it's on the 4 hour. Then negative, and it's very slightly less negative here, right? So we're established that 283, and then here it's 287, right? Negative 287, negative 283. So negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. That's what we're getting this small rally happening, which is good. Nothing wrong with that. High to low. Positive is positive. High on the other side to lower point. Nothing there either, man. Wow, that's good. Just checking here, 43.83, 43.48, right? So just like in the MACD, we have that strong bullish divergence, and part of the reason that we're starting to go up on Bitcoin Cash, right? That's it. There doesn't have anything bearish right now. It's still going on higher, so it's doing good. He'll be back when band hits 100. I'm not sure. When's band going to hit 100, man? We might get to it, dude. Who knows, right? Still a lot of coins I got to move through, man. Like, for reals. It's not that I don't want to do it. I already done 5 coins. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I still have to go... I'm going to end up doing like 27 coins by the time I get to band, bro. So just like, I'm not even halfway through the projects. That's what I'm saying. I'm not even sure if we're going to be able to do it or not. XRP 100,000? Sure, Cullen. Why not? Josh is going to go. Be right back soon. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, there, set to higher point. Bought at 65.95. That's it, dude. Right? Nothing bearish right now. It's still going, getting on higher, and you'll be fine. From here, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, there, set to higher point. High, higher, negative, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low, there, set to higher point. Nothing bullish right now. Again, we're good here, right? Look, the only thing we created after we called for a triangle and then we had revisited was this bearish divergence. It moved us down. Then we created this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside, and then that, we're getting this nice move to the upside. We just have that strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and that is just getting us to pump and go higher. We're not creating anything bearish right now. It can still go on getting on higher, and that could be really good for Bitcoin Cash. Acro up next. It's at we'll see. Acro at 1.59 cents. Great. What's it doing, dude? Look, we're looking for bearish divergence. It did manage to move above its previous high, which is fine. We track that onto there. That gets rid there, and that's it. We don't no longer have anything bearish, right? On that day that we called it, it did move down the next day, and then it just closed at 0. So that was showing bullishness. We just haven't revisited to recheck what was happening. So the bearish divergence did play. we're bullish enough to push it back up, and then, you know, stall and then moving up. So great stuff happening here. What? Solar Steve. Thanks for the tip, bro. I'm not sure if those tips are adding up to the total, but yeah, I appreciate it, man. He says, good luck, man. I hope you enjoy the new RAM and mouse. Thanks, much appreciated for the awesome tip. I'm not sure why those super chat tips don't add up to the total on... I'm not even sure if they're adding up to that total that's up there. I hope they are. I'm not sure. But if they are, thank you for donating towards the goals of the channel. People have been complaining about the clicking on the mouse. Some people say it's fine. Some people don't like it. Probably get a new mouse and that's it. That's why there's a goal for a mouse. The daily for Acro, right? Again, nothing bearish. Get over that all-time high and starting to move up. Let's go to the 4-hour. Ethereum stumping. Is it moving down? Really? I'm going to go revisit after Acro some quick projects. And we'll be right back to the next coin, right? Which is going to be VGX or whatever that one is that people have requested. But anyways, let's get here on the 4-hour. And we have strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, moving down there. We also have it here, moving down. Low, high, negative, low, high also. So nothing really bullish right now on Acro on the 4-hour. We just have the strong bearish. It's moving sideways. We might have something on the 1-hour. We're still above that 20. We're still above the previous high of 100%. And we are at, yeah, 61.37. So bought on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I don't think that's an elephant in the room, bro. Yeah. Ethereum ain't doing anything. All right, thanks for letting me know, man. All right, so last thing we had was bearish. We were moving down. We were creating this hidden bullish. As you can tell, we dropped more on that hidden bullish, right? If we would have gotten continuation of the project, we would have noticed that we developed it here, and we also developed it against the RSI. So with that, we would have gotten action to the upside still. We already were looking for it here, if you remember, right? I just moved it. So we developed the hidden bullish. We're taking that nice rally. High, higher. There, so I'm going to have to zoom in. High, higher also. And on the RSI, 77.38, 77.04, slightly lower. So we created some strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Hello, also, right? With that, we're moving down, hitting that 20, failing support. And look at what happens when we fail support. It becomes a resistance, right? And then once we reject the 20, we move lower, and then we're trying to go higher. Do we have strong bullish divergence? That's what we're going to try to find out right now. We might have even created some more strong bearish divergence here short term. Yeah, we did. Look, high, higher, high, lower, right? And that's part of the reason that we're consolidating this area. It doesn't look too bad on the shorter time scales, right? The 4-hour looks like we're doing a really nice flag here on Acro. So again, not looking too bad, but are we doing hidden bullish? Yep, we are. Right. So what hidden bullish, we're going from here to here. And from here to here. Right, so hidden bullish divergence. First we had to here. Now we just drag it onto there. That's fine. We just go to here. All right, that's fine. Hidden bullish. Try to take that pop. Hit the 20. Reject it. Going lower. And then here we're just going to call strong bullish right now. Low, lower. And then negative. Less negative. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. From the low to the high, we'll be going from low, lower again. And still have that hidden bullish here against the RSI. Look at that. Going higher. And here coming lower, right? So hidden bullish against the RSI and strong bullish against the MACD. Potential for action to the upside. We did go up, hit that 20, and we're rejecting. So not good, right? On rejection, where can we go? Well, we could try to get another crack at the 20. And if we manage to get above, could be looking to getting above 1.8, which was the previous high here. And head over here to our 1618 at 1.9. But if we reject the 20 again, and we keep on rejecting, we could be looking for a potential breakdown below the 1.5 mark, right? 1.49. Those are the moves for Acro. So real quick recap of Ethereum. Let's see where it's at. Sorry. There's something like stuck in my throat and the back of my nose. It's just killing me. This sucks. 1.39. Awesome. Thank you all for subscribing. If you like the content, really hit the like button on the sub. Matthew Hayward, Ethereum chart. Yeah, look, I'm just doing it because it's a recap. But we looked at it in detail, Matthew. I'm not going to go too much into detail right now, right? Because we looked at it on detail earlier on. Let's go here on the daily. On the daily, we have bearish divergence. We know that, right? We called it. Potential action to downside. We're starting to make positive momentum. As you can tell now, we're negative momentum. So like I said, right, we're starting to build. Let's see where we go. Now, we're also lower on the other side. We're overbought at 70.68, so that's fine. Nothing wrong there yet. Strong bearish divergence. That's it. The 4 hour. Strong bearish divergence. We already closed that 4 hour candle there. And we still have this strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And we're sitting bought at 62.44 on the RSI. And on the 1 hour chart, right, we're coming higher, more positive, high on the RSI. We didn't have anything. We're just highly overbought. We're coming back down from being overbought. And right now, bought at 65.64. That's it, right? We're probably bringing down on the divergences that we had on the larger timescales. You're going to be upset if it loses all support. Bring facts says I don't leverage. I buy the freaking dip. Awesome. I also buy the dip. Yesterday I got some cheese dip and onion dip. It was really good. And I dipped it with chips and salsa. That was awesome. I also dipped the chips. They're really good. Right, nothing on the 30-minute either, right? So that's it for Ethereum recap. I'm gonna keep on coming back to Ethereum throughout the stream because it's the coin that it was pumping the most. Dude, I really was hoping they were gonna keep on going higher. I do believe the bearish divergence that we have on the 4 hour and the daily could be putting a damper on the run. But if we come here and find support at 1,292, it will be also really good, right? It could give us an area for a bounce. So I'm not against a potential moving down, as long as it's not a super strong moving down. BGX. It's not here. Wasn't it like BGX, BQX or something like that? I think we looked at this before, right? So you dip your liver and left leg into Ethereum. That's crazy. So BQX. Right, we had the hidden bullish action to the upside, moved up on that. That's great. Let's go on the daily first, though. See, we're doing something. Nothing, right? Impulse up, consolidating below the 236 at $1.14. That's great. Nothing happened here on the daily. Overbought at 83.54. The 4 hour, we just checked, hidden bullish. Pumping at that. Nothing here on the top either. Just bought at 52.48. Do we have something here? No. 49, 52, right? Higher. Everything's here is good right now. Nothing else bullish. Hidden bullish is what pumped us. We're below the 20. We're below the 236. That could get us to go slightly lower if we keep on rejecting the 20. Let's see if the 1 hour has good news. I'm not sure. So on the 1 hour, we had strong bullish divergence. We did pump. We created hidden bearish. Moved this down slightly. We tried to pump higher. Did we get higher? Yes. But as we got slightly higher, right, and you're going to be able to tell here in a second, we did go lower here. We went lower, right? So on that note, I showed the downside. So low, high, then negative, more negative, right? Because look at this. I'm not sure if here we created, no, low, high, negative, right? But here, we're going from here to here, right? So going higher, and then here, we're still going slightly higher. And you can see why this is going to matter in a second. So I'll open this one again. Look at this though, right? From here to here. And from here to here, and they should match up with what we have here on the top right now. So hidden bullish, pump, failed to go higher than the previous high. Again, giving continuation to the strong bearish, moving low, and now we still have hidden bullish, and we might be shaking it off. No, we still have it slightly. We're still trying to hold on to some hidden bullish divergence to see if we're going to go high again. I'm not sure if this one's going to hold. If it drops lower than here, we're not going to have anything. Say goodbye to any hidden bullish, and we could be on a potential movement to the downside on Voyager, or whatever this coin is. VQ, whatever. VQX. Up next, Ave. 1 quick second, guys. I get something on my nose. I think I'm going to go blow my nose real quick. Alright, so I'm back. Thank you guys for waiting for me. I had to do a quick nasal wash with, like a nasal spray. So it's just freaking crazy, man. But y'all, thank you for being here and sticking with me through that small intermission. Ave. Yeah. Donors have extra Discord perks. Let's go on the daily. We're looking for bearish divergence. Obviously didn't trigger, right? We haven't looked at Ave in a while. We had a potential movement to the downside. Kept on going higher. Just went to the freaking moon. That's great. I haven't looked at Ave since January 13th, so a couple days ago. We don't have anything in the short term here. Going higher. Overbought at 83.34, so that's great. Really, nothing there. Came down, hit that curve, bounced. Awesome. Let's go to the 4 hour. Market Mad, what's up? Lol. Yep. Bearish divergence moving down. Nope, we didn't get it there. Did move down slightly, but kept on climbing. And then we got rid of whatever we could have had, right? So, no bearish divergence at play for this, right? We had it. That's why I say keep on tracking, keep on watching, right? As we keep on moving, and that's it. Move down, hit that 20, took a pop. Great. Are we doing something now? Yeah, strong bearish divergence. Again, remember, on bull markets, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. And then positive to negative and high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence against the RSI and the MACD. Potential action to the downside. So let's see if this is going to trigger. Right now moving down slightly. Bought at 61.82. What? Solar Steve, the 1 hour is going down rapidly for what? Let's do the 1 hour chart. The last thing we had here was bullish, right? Hidden bullish. And we're running on that, so that's fine. So high, low, positive, high, low. Right. Alright, so the only thing I'm seeing right now is this move here. On the 1 hour, right? Going higher. Coming down lower here. So bearish divergence. Strong action to downside, moving down on that. Here we had some strong bullish prior to that run happening, right? That small run happening. It's low, lower, negative, less negative. Action to the upside, starting to go up. So, can we find support here? I do believe we could find an area of support here. The previous high that we had there, ATH. This 199.50 could become a support. We already worked it once. Rejected, right? Or held support. Rejected, rejected. So this could be an area of support, more or less. So 199 could be an area of support. Right at 200.94. So that's it for AVE. Again, we don't see this probably that often. So, it's good that sometimes we come back and recheck, right? Probably buy the DEV. Ethereum, the 1 minute is going down. Oh, all right, cool. Yeah, we'll go back to Ethereum and revisit in a bit, AVE, again, that's it. Neutral at 58.71. PHA, is that a coin? I never looked at that one before. The Tether. That's some Tether. Awesome. Also, at some point in time, I only have 2 markets, right? Jake saying peace. He got to open on the AM. Peace, love, and huddle. Thank you, Jake, for being here, man. Much appreciated. PHA. Sure, man. Let's do this on the daily. Let's start up. Let's running up, dude. What is it doing? It's just taking a run today. Again, not an old project. I'm not even sure if I'm going to fib this right now. Right, everything's going higher. Everything's going more positive. Everything's there. So nothing here that is bearish. Last thing these have here on the daily is from here to here. And there's going to be some hidden bullish. Right, and then from here to here. That's it. Hidden bullish. Going insanely high, insanely quick. He didn't even bounce at the 20. It bounced at 20 here, but yeah. Going insanely high. Bought at 88.55. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see where we're at there. What's happening on the 4-hour? We are developing a strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And it could be the reason that we're consolidating right now, right? Wimple stop, we're consolidating, that's fine. We're consolidating because we have strong bearish divergence right, against the MACD and the RSI. Look at that, right? Overbought at 72.65. It could still come down maybe to that 20 at 25.77 cents. That could be a potential target. We'll see where we're at once we get there. Hourly TD on Ethereum. Just reset at 8. Actually, looks good. Yeah. Give the 1 minute chart. Yeah. Some people like trading on the 1 minute. That's fine, RSI, yep. 72.36. That's it. Those are the 1 hour for PHA. High, higher, positive, and positive, high on the RSI to higher point. Nothing here. Now, on the previous high, that would be this one here. From here to here, and I'll go from here to here. Right, that's fine. It's all one island there. Strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, move down close to 20. We're trying to find support there in bounds. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to hard point. Neutral at 58.76. That's it. Not a lot, right? MBW subscribed. Keep it up. Thank you, man. That's my show. Thanks, man. Much appreciate it. It's not really my show. It's our show, right? We're all here. So it's our show. It's our time, guys. Not me. I'm just the one that happens to be on this side of the screen. But, I mean, without you guys, this show doesn't exist. So you are the show as much as I am the show. So thank you all for being here and being part of this awesome community. And helping me create this community. Because now we're all a part of it together, right? And that's the cool thing. That it's us. It's not a me thing. It's an us thing, right? Sometimes you guys bring ideas, right? Like the inverted cup that we had. Or, sometimes I don't spot a head and shoulders, and you guys do. Or a potential double bottom that I missed, right? So that's the whole point about being a community, right? We all pitch in, and we all have ideas, and we try to listen to one another. And, we don't put down ideas. We do try to encourage people to participate and, discuss openly what's going on. So, yeah, it's a very friendly crypto channel, I think. Theta, let's go check it out. Theta to the dollar. We had a channel, hidden bullish, taking a pop, right? Starting to come down below the 20 right now. Do we have something? High, low, positive, high on the other side, lower point. Nothing there, man. 49142. So low, high, negative, less, negative, low, there. Is that a hard point? Nothing. Neutral 57.70. Again, we're making a triangle, right? Or potential triangle formation. It's not going to look the prettiest, but you know, it's going like that, and then it could be going like this. Right? Something like that. I'm going to get rid of those lines. We know we talked about it. Your team much before the run. That's interesting. Ethereum will go back down to 1,230. Yeah, maybe, dude. I mean, I'm not against the pullback on Ethereum. We talked about it earlier. It's I think it could be interesting, right? I do believe we're going to reach 1,400. I'm not sure we're going to go to all-time highs tonight, though, right? But we might. Who knows? Cedric, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. You're curious about my thoughts on Ethereum Classic. That's the next coin, dude. I think I actually skipped over it by accident. So after Tate, I'll do Ethereum Classic because I just went over it. LD Cowell. Thank you for looking at PHA. You're new to crypto and you're learning. Yeah, thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. Right on. Let's keep on going with Theta. What do we have here on the 4 hour? Bearishness moved down. I was trying to look for some bullishness. We don't have it. Well, no, we're taking a bounce after hitting support at $1.50. That's fine. Are we doing something here? Higher, positive, high. There's a higher point. Short term, though. For me to hear strong bearish divergence, actually the downside, moving it down, right? So we have this movement down coming in, right? And as you can tell, just unit that play 62.92, 62.95, slightly higher. So we're moving down on the bearish divergence that we created, but we're failing to go lower than the previous low, and part of that could be because we're creating some hidden bullish, right? Low, higher, low, and then negative or negative, low, lower, right? Cool. So with that, potential action to the upside, moving up, hitting that 20, and rejecting the 20. So not looking too strong right now. So we might move down on rejection of the 20. We're about to get across over the MACD, over the signal line. That could be good. That could bring action to the upside. I would be up for that action probably. But if we get the cross above the zero line, right? Or sorry, below the zero line, not above the zero line. That's it for Theta. Neutral on the RSI at 48.33. Let's go check out Ethereum Classic. Why not? Ethereum Classic. Let's start on the daily. High, higher, positive, high on their side to hard point. Even here, high, higher, positive, high, higher. Nothing there. Also, nothing happening here. The last thing we had was strong bullish. We're running up on that. That's great. Hit resistance, pull back down. Probably something on the 4 hour. Maybe some strong divergence here, some strong bearish. I'm going to leave that there. Send it to the 4 hour. See if we can catch it. Neutral 58.48. Let's go back to the 4 hour. That's fine. And it's something I threw back here. Yeah. Be this line that makes no sense here, right? Strong bearish moving us down. Had this ascending triangle or rising wedge. Could have broken into the downside. We didn't. So it's turning more into a rising, upsloping channel, right? Rising channel. So let's go with that idea. It could work a little bit better, I think. High, low, high, low, high, low. That's fine. Let's see here. Low, high. Right. So hidden bullish. Right. That's why we're failing to go lower. Here on the 4 hour chart, that's anchored. Great. Now, negative, more negative, right? Hidden bullish divergence section to the upside, going up slightly. We would also need to have it here at 45.55, 45.25. Yeah, we also have it against the RSI, right? So actually the upside starting to go up slightly. Now, high, equal height. And are we diverging? We might be diverging here. Alright, so here the price is moving sideways towards that top area. And what I'm looking at is for divergence here on the bottom part, right? And it will be this island here. And going from here to here, I'm just going to make it larger. See how they fit. Yeah, that's that line. I was thinking around there. So we have that medium bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. We also have it against the RSI, and that's probably where we're moving down. That movement could get us to the 20 again. It just looks like it's consolidating this area, right? From 8.10 all the way to 7.09. So it's about $1 move area. And right now we're sitting at $7.83. Again, if we manage to get a bounce at the 20, we could be trying to get above that. Above that something, right? Above these 8.10. Stream Elements is Alex Malera. What do you mean? Mass evaluation. I'm not sure what you mean by that, but thanks for the comment, I guess. Ultra 2K's in the house. What's up? You're sorry late? I'm sorry. Just be glad that you're here. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. I'm glad that you're here. Joshua's back after his round of warfare. How did it go, man? Did you do good? Mass evaluation. Can you please explain your comment that you made? I didn't get it. So, thanks. Let's go to the 1 hour. Ethereum. I just shifted coins by accident. There we go. Ethereum Classic on the 1 hour. That's it for this. You won! Victory! You hope I'm having a pleasant evening. I'm having an awesome evening. Thanks for being here. You kidding me? It's a great evening, guys. Thank you all for the awesome support that you've shown this channel tonight. We got a lot of tips coming in. It's insane. We're almost at $200 worth of tips or something like that. Like 82 came in through, you know, the super chat, and then someone was kind enough to tip on $110 worth of was it Litecoin or some other project? It was an insanely large tip. I think it was Link, sorry. So $110 worth of Link. That's insane. Thank you for the awesome tips, guys. Really, it's so cool to get the support. Thank you, Mike C, for being here. Let's get to 1.5K. Yeah, that's the target, right? 1.5K. That would be awesome if we get to 1.5K. I'm not sure if we're going to get there tonight, though. If everyone's in here and you haven't done it yet, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. We have the best community out there, bar none. It's really tight. Everyone participates. Everyone's super cool in the chat. I don't see people seeing, like, pricks to one another in the chat, but everyone's really cool, so. For future reference, what's the best way to donate? Well, if you're really asking that, I'll tell you. It's fine if you donate to YouTube. I'm not sure how much they're going to take percentage-wise. If you donate through PayPal, PayPal takes 30 cents and then 3% of the tip. And then if you donate crypto, I think it just goes 100%. So if you go through crypto, I don't lose anything. If you go to PayPal, PayPal takes a commission of 30 cents plus 3% on the tip. And then YouTube, I think someone told me it's about 30%. I'm not sure. But should be something like that. I mean, it's the first time I've gotten tipped on YouTube, so on Super Chat. So I'm not sure how much YouTube is going to keep of that. But it's fine, you know. Thank you for the awesome tips. It's DVT's turn, and then RSR. So we'll do those, and then we have Mana Atom. And you know what? Why not? We'll throw in the hat VTA show and band. We still have time, so. Right. Yeah, it's fine, bro. I mean, no worries. I mean, I'm not sure how much YouTube takes for reals. I mean, it's the first time I've been here, so. How much bat will take away from your tips? Dude, Korean bot decide. When I log off, I will check it out and I'll let you know, right? Yeah, I think it's like 30%. That's what I was thinking. Am I like they take one and I get two? Yeah, it should be something crazy like that. Sure, check it out later on, man. No, why not, right? If anyone has information, that's awesome. So let's finish Ethereum Classic, so we can keep on moving. We have a lot of projects. No, we already finished Ethereum Classic. Sorry. Let's go to. So we didn't have anything here, right? We didn't. Sorry, I gotta check this one here. Oh, we did. Damn. I think I was almost gonna skip the 1 hour here. on me going back through the chat and checking out what was happening. So from here to here, and then from here to here, right? So we have that again. Upside on hidden bullish. That's the only thing I can find here. With nothing bearish right now, so it's all good. It's all good, I think. Yeah, it's all good. All right, so let's go check out the vault. Where's the vault at? 3.7 sets. It's been floating around that 4 set area for a little bit, so I'm not super worried about it. I got the hiccups now. Or something happened. I'm sure it was like a hiccup, but not the hiccups, right? It's just not, like one, not plural. Columns and green. There we go. Right on. So remember we had bearish divergence, high, higher, and then high, low, high, low. So actually the downside moving down on that, but we're flatlining, which is good. I'm gonna zoom in here, see what we have, right? Low, high. Here we had strong bullish, right? And that's from here to here. And from here to here, right? So again, potential action to the opposite. We did move up on that. Don't think we created anything bearish. High, low, high, low. Everything's good there. Again, so we're stagnating more or less, moving sideways, and it's holding up good against Bitcoin. So how much is it worth right now in dollars? 1.347. So still, like when we gave it out, it was below that number, right? It was like a 0.0009. It's still holding up good. So I'm happy about that. Right. Shop New Gaming, what's up? Thank you for being here. Dynamic Motorsport Experience, thank you for being here, man. It's a phenomenal project. I know, dude. It's a good project. They have a good community as well. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher positive sideways, right? So nothing there. And yeah, strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Again, up here, I cannot draw because there's the data there. The numbers, it doesn't allow me, but it's going like that up there, right? And then here we're coming down like this, right? So, right, so bearish divergence, action downside. We move down on that. Now if you can tell here what I can draw here, and you'll see it's hidden bullish. Go from here to here and from here to here, right? So hidden bullish divergence, action to the upside, and again on that we are going up and sustaining this area that we're at. So let's go to the daily, see what we have there. Shopping, yeah, I'm glad you're here, man. Thanks for being here. Yes, Bitcoin got problems. Dump, new issues better. What? How do I feel about KuCoin? I don't use KuCoin, bro. I'm not even sure how good they are, but I can give you an opinion on something I don't use, right? Again, yeah, higher, positive, more positive, on there, side hard point. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 58.89. That's it for the vault. Doing good. Let's go here. RSR, where's RSR, dude? It almost got to 5 today. Did it keep on going? Did it reach 5 and I missed it? Because it got very close to 5 cents. RSR 4.6. Did we get to 5? It says here that we got to 5. I doubt it. It is the 1 hour. I can't believe it. Yeah, we didn't. We got to 4.9. 4.96. Someone on YouTube, on Twitter, was saying that if this reached 5, they were going to give out $1,000. I thought it was insane, but you know, it didn't reach there. But you know, we'll keep looking at it. Again, you know, we went really high above that 100%. That's fine. We got stumped at the 1618 that we have here, and we're rejecting the area. Now we're trying to find support on this microfibs at the 786, which is okay. We wicked down to the 618 at 4.3, and right now at 4.6. So again, it's performing good. If you know the story about this, I got in at this green line. I had to suck it for the longest time by riding it all the way down and all the way up. And you can go back and look at August the 31st and September the 1st or the 2nd, and I've been talking about RSR since then. You can go watch those streams. You can look at what position I took. It felt like I was chasing. I couldn't get in. Every time I put a position, the bots on Binance higher the bar, and it just like, you know, keep on moving it higher, and it just felt like I was chasing, and I knew I was chasing, but you know, there was a lot of good news coming out for RSR. I thought it was going to pump more, and then it crashed, and I had to like go through a really bad time here on this project. I didn't put that much money in it, but still, you know, it sucks knowing that you're losing dough. On that note, this looks like a little bit like a cup and handle pattern. Right. So this would be like the cup, right? And then this could be like the handle. Something like this. I'll have to check it out against the chart pattern, but I believe that's what it looks like right now. Well, let's go to the 4 hour. I might have missed that when I was looking at this. Anyways, higher, positive, high on the other side, higher point, neutral, 58.34. Again, very, very nice. Holding very nice here on RSR, right? Nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Higher, positive, higher. Everything's good here. And we're creating hidden bullish. Good, dude. Again, going up, hitting that 786, rejecting it 3 times, right? But we're really trying to hold on to that 20, which is good. And if we hold on to that 20, we could be looking for another pump and maybe breaking that 786 and trying to move higher. That would be interesting for this. Ultra TK, you're not going to lie. My live streams always cheer you up. I get really bored at night and I keep you entertained. Wow, thanks for being here. I appreciate the comment. Thanks. I hope you find them entertaining and find value here. That's it for RSR. Again, I'm not worried about that project. It's doing good so far. I think it can go higher, so I'm glad I have a position there. It's one of those times where I think, like, why didn't I add more? But in the end, I just keep on looking and say, look, I think I'm fine. I did it for a reason. It wasn't a project that I knew much about. I was getting into it a little bit blind. I had read the white paper, but I wasn't really following that community that much. And I haven't even fallen in with that community that much. But, the project's performing good. I didn't put more because lack of understanding at that time. And, I think I'm glad. I shouldn't doubt I did it for a reason, and then I took a massive hit, and I recovered now. But yeah, no point in dwelling in the past, and I could have added more. Mana. I want some mana. To the dollar on Kraken, why not? Wow, this chart actually looks horrible. I'm going to open on Coinbase as well. Yeah, this one looks better. So we're going to go with the Coinbase chart. At 11.55 cents, I actually hold very little mana. Like not even $1 worth of mana. LinkedIn, bro, algo. Yeah, did we do algo today? Not sure. I don't think anyone requested algo, bro. MIS what? Iradix double X. I'm not sure how to say your name. Irad double X. Algo in that dividend? Yeah. Right, so mana. Let's check it out, right? Everything's higher here. Everything's good. High, higher, high, higher. High, low, less, less. Neutral at 59.26. Let's see where this high is at for this project. When I got to mana, it was very cheap. And I got less than $1 in. Because it's just like, I had some leftover from my transaction that I did. I didn't know what to put it into. And I decided to put it into mana for shits and giggles. And apparently it's doing good, right? It's done good. I should have put more. There we are. Awesome. So we're rejecting the 100%, right? So we got there. That's what we just called it. But we moved down, hit that 76. So we're making a valid retrace. We actually broke below it and hit all the way almost to that 50%. Managed to hold support at the 618 and now trying to move back up, get above that 786, which is good. Not too bad. Again, impulse up. We're consolidating a little bit too large of a triangle for my taste, but it's there. Why am I saying too large? Because we're dropping over half of the length of the pole, right? So it just looks like a massive triangle. It's like we're making a giant Dorito instead of like making something else, right? It's like that, and then you ignore this, and you just go like that, and look at that, right? Like there's no pole. It's just we made a massive triangle. That's it. We do have strong bearish divergence prior to that pump happening, so that's good, right? We're not pumping out of thin air. And I like the fact that it's strong bullish divergence. I'm not sure if I said bearish or last one, but strong bullish from moving up, right? Ethereum breaking all-time high tonight, James. I'm not sure, dude. We looked at Ethereum twice. I'm gonna look at it again in a little bit. Bring facts close his fingers. Yeah, target at 1,405. I have a target at 1,420 to the upside if it decides to move there, but he still has to break 1,280, I think. So we'll see in a second. We'll recap Ethereum after Atom. So we have Mana, Atom, and then recap. Right, so higher, positive, higher, right? Nothing happening here that's bearish. Neutral at 59.37. Let's go to the 4-hour Mana. Right, so hidden bullish. That's the only thing I can tell you. From here to here, there's hidden bullish. A lot of projects have this. It's not exclusive to this coin. Again, many projects were developing this back then. And we've seen it across a couple of them already. So we have it against the MACD and the RSI, right? Action to the upside, again, that moving up. High, low, positive, high, low. Look at this. High, higher, high to low, right? We're starting to make strong bearish divergence. And that could bring potential action to the downside. We have it against the MACD, not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're fine. But, I mean, watch out. It could start moving down, right? On that strong bearish divergence. Right now, near 1257.12. If it hits a 20 and it bounces, it could be trying to shake it off. I'm not sure if it's actually going to do that, but right now we're looking for that movement down. We haven't quite hit the 20. That'll be the good area to hit. Now, low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to a higher point, so nothing bullish there. Let's go check out the 1 hour. James says China needs to step up for their Ethereum game. Yeah, maybe. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish here. Look at this. We're coming higher and we're coming lower, right? Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. That is a move that we're getting here on Mana. We're moving down here, and with that, we're getting that, that price to go below the 20. We're trying to recover right now, which is pretty good. I like that because we have hidden bullish, right? From here to here, and from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. All this is happening against the MACD. Even against the RSI, we're going slightly higher. And with that, we're trying to reclaim this area above the 20. If we manage to get above this previous high here at 11.7, we could be good. If we fail, we could be looking for continuation of the strong bearish. Again, the hidden bullish would be like trumped by the strong bearish and move down there. Near 1258.09. Let's go check out the next project. Atom. What is happening with the Atom? If you guys like what we do, hit like the bell and sub, right? Thank you all for being here and being an awesome part of this community. I appreciate y'all for the support that you give to this channel and the time that you guys put in like being here and watching the content for real. So it's really, really cool. Thank you guys for the awesome support, and let's keep it rolling. Atom. No, Atom. Yeah, Atom. Up in Atom. The Atom. Where's it at? It's up here. $9.49. What's it doing? Let's go to daily. Atom, we're looking for a lot of bearish divergence here. We just didn't get it to play out, right? And I'm wondering if all this is from the daily, because we had a lot of converging bearish divergence. I'm just not giving a damn about it. That's what it looks like it happened, right? We just haven't looked at Atom in a couple days, but that's fine, right? So the bearish divergence didn't trigger, and that's okay. Everything went bullish. So again, on bullish trends, bearish divergence has, or bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Short term up here, bearish divergence against RSI from here to here on the daily, and from here to here, right? Moving down, finding that overbought at 72.30. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, in the 4 hour also, look at this, right? What is this? 216, 21. So from here to here, we are creating strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? We're going from here to here, and from here to here. So that's one, and then from here to here, we're also coming up higher, and then we're also coming from here to here, and from here to here. So strong bearish divergence still. It did move us down the first one. We didn't quite hit that 20. We're trying to get higher. We're failing to go higher. As you can see, we're losing that strength. We have that strong bearish divergence for action to the downside, and that's what we have right now. John Doe, great show. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, John Doe. Or John Doe. I'm not sure how I should say your name. John Doe or John Doe. Let me know. First or second. On the RSI, we're bought at 65.67. That is it. Really, I'm expecting it moving down, but it's like we're not getting it because the market is bullish for, alts right now. So it could go on pumping, right? Lionel. I'm here, Martin. Thank you for being here, Lionel. Lionel SB. The lights are off? Yeah, the lights are off, bro. Someone was complaining about the Christmas lights yesterday, so they actually left a comment. Christmas lights in the background. I need to find like better lighting for the background. I don't mind getting it, right? Someone's actually gonna hook me up with some lights. I'll tell you who in a second. I said I was gonna say it later on the stream. I need to find where I had it. I'm gonna get a hookup for lights, which is gonna be cool. That's gonna really help the stream. It's here. Crypto coin display is gonna hook me up with this 20-inch ticker, which loads the data on for price of Bitcoin on the Wi-Fi, and it's gonna be pretty wild because I can put it right there, right? And you guys are gonna be able to see the price scroll by there also, which is gonna be pretty cool. I like having tickers in the office for price, right? That's good. Hi mate, TA Ethereum. You're in box long. All right, look at took a shot. The little dump. All right, cool. We'll look at Ethereum after Adam, right? Hi, please share knowledge about Polkadot. I think we already did dot, bro. It was the 7th coin we looked at today, man. Gotta wait for a recap though, right? Yeah, it's gonna be really wild, man, when I get that, right? I'm actually talking to him, see how we're gonna get the logistics, because he's in the US and I'm in Mexico City, so we're gonna see how much shipping is gonna be to Mexico City and see if he can do it. He's gonna get back to me on that, and I do want to get that on the background there. I'm gonna pay the shipping. He's gonna hook me up with a display for free, and I gotta put it there. It's gonna be really, really cool, man. It's gonna be wild. I really want to get one of this. I think it's gonna be nice for the stream, and he's also gonna give me some LEDs in the background. So good stuff, right? Again, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Let's keep rolling. Adam, on the 1 hour. Let's finish this so we can move on and do a recap of Ethereum. 706,695, slightly less. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm looking at when I say those numbers, I am looking at everything that's after the zeros, right? So I'm looking here, it says 0.0706. I just look at 0.06 and then I look here and I go 695, and that's it. I know where I'm looking at for something lower there. And as you can tell, we're coming in lower and we are coming up higher here. And with that, we have some strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. If you know what you want to say, it's moving sideways, that's fine. You just said we're making weak bearish divergence for action to the downside, but it's there. It can move us down, so great stuff there, dude. James says, I never paid more attention, any attention to coins other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are there any altcoins I feel have great potential to survive long term, or are they all just short term trading gains? There are some that could have potential, right? Cardano could have a lot of potential replacing Ethereum at some point in time, because we know Ethereum is good, but it has scalability issues. And they're not going to get solved, right? Plus, it has really high fees. So gas is still probably going to be high. So Cardano could have some potential to the upside. XLM could have potential to the upside as well. I like Devault. I'm really into that project right now. So yeah, I do believe there's some. How do you feel about people that are serious on Dogecoin? People can trade whatever they want. So, I don't mind. If they're making a profit there, that's fine. If you can make a profit trading Doge, that's fine, Low, high, negative, less negative, low, never set a higher point. Neutral at 54.33. That's it. Nothing bullish right now. For Adam, last thing we have is this bearish. We're in an upsloping channel. Everything's good. Like, it's having a party of its own. Look at that, right? Support. And then here, resistances, right? So if I go there, it looks like as we're doing a running wedge. I'm not sure if I want to use that point. But if I use this point over here, it looks as a sort of like a channel, but more like a rising. I think I can do something with this on a channel and ignore that as a fake breakout. Let me bring the channel tool real quick. I want to do this one. Sorry, I'm not looking at the chat right now. So if you're talking to me, just give me one quick second. I'll try to get back to you soon. Trying to see if I can draw this here and make sense of this like this, right? Look, fake breakout. Moving back into the channel. Are we getting support at the midline? Yeah, rejection, rejection, rejection. Support, rejection. Yeah, it could work as an upsloping channel. Again, we're still an uptrend for Atom. That's fine. Short-term bearish divergence moving down below that 50. Trying to hold support at the 20 and pump. Let's see if it materializes into something better. Marky P, hey buddy, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Faisals, based on the current 6 hour and support, what you recommend setting up or buying prices? Dude, it's entirely up to you where you're buying, you sell. I cannot give you advice on that. Well, let's go check out Ethereum, right? Because a lot of people are wondering, where is it at? It's not that bad, right? It's starting to rally a little bit. 1,327, great for Ethereum again. Let's go on the daily. It has bearish divergence still, right to there. Like I said, it could come all the way up there, and it'll still have bearish divergence, right? We'll just be making positive momentum, but very little. So I'm not against it getting to 1,389 or even 1,420. Bought at 71.29. Let's go to the 4 hour. We have bearish divergence, right? This would really be anchoring from back here. I just left it here so I don't have data going over one another, but you know, it is a straight line from there to there. And with that, we have strong bearish divergence. It's going to take a while for it to pump. We don't have it against the RSI. Bought at 64.61 again. Potential movement to the downside. We did get it briefly on the 1 hour, and then we're recovering right now, which is good. And I was really expecting it to hit 1,292. Wow, cool. I think I barely was able to mute myself there on that sneeze. Thanks for waiting for me. Great to until now. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Nothing really here that is bearish right now in the 1 hour. Let's go to the half hour. Did we create something bearish here? No, we don't. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Bouncing, that's fine. Really nothing to worry about. Look, we even drew a curve and said, look, we're in a curve. So we're going parabolic in Ethereum, apparently, short term. So nothing against that. I just need to get more points here to try to get confirmed where the curve is going to go. But right now, this is a short curve that we're making. And Ethereum, if you want to look at this as a sort of like channel also and see where we're at, I'll be drawing something like this probably. Then we're in down here, right? And say, look, we're in an upsloping channel, right? Again, this is just to highlight a trend. I'm not pinpointing a channel. I'm not saying that's the channel that we're in. But all I'm saying is look at the trend, right? We're within like a sort of like a channel that we're upsloping, and we were hitting that mid part. We could be trying to bounce up here again, right? That wouldn't be bad actually if we actually bounced all the way up here. But again, just think about it like as a channel that we're in for Ethereum. I want to get rid of this. Too much data on the chart. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Where's it at? Bitcoin's actually dropping in price. Negative 0.034, so almost nothing. 36,519. Again, remember, Bitcoin sideways, good for market. Where's Bitcoin? Dropping to 20, trying to regain it right now. Last thing we had is Hilton bullish. It rallied. We didn't create anything bearish since. That's fine. Let's go to. We're actually going to go to the half hour because I believe the 4 hour and the daily were clear. So the half hour we had that bearish divergence moving down. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Neutral at 51.06. Thanks. That was a little while back, man. You might want to hit live on your stream and catch up to now because I sneezed like over a minute ago, bro. So Omar, whenever you get to here, open your stream and go where it says hi, to where it says live, and you'll be brought back to now, and you'll catch up with me to wherever I'm at. THX, sure. I think there's some other projects that got requested that I said I might not do. We still got a little bit of time. Why not? We went through everything really quick tonight. Usually the stream's going till 1 in the morning. I don't think we're going to do 1 in the morning tonight. I think maybe half an hour more and that's going to be it. Who knows? Thank you for being here and joining me tonight. Hey, Lionel, thank you, man. Much appreciated. Así es, ¿no? Arriba México. Thanks for the comment, man. Much appreciated. Well, let's keep it rolling, man. What are we going to do? Let's go check out... Someone said BTHO first, and then Band, and then Algo, right? And then someone just said do THX. The chat lags. All right, cool. I'm not sure how much lag we have on the chat, but thanks for letting me know, Omar. All right, so BTHO, let's check it out, dude. I don't think we ever looked at this. So, Bishador. Where's it at? It's climbing. It looks nice. Dude, this looks good. Impulse up, consolidation, impulse up, consolidation. We might impulse up again. Not looking too bad. Do we have bearish divergence? I think we might. Yeah, we do. Strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Get over here. There we go, man. NMR? Yeah, why not? I think we might have time to do NMR as well. Who knows? We'll see. All right, no requests for NMR. That's it, dude. We're going to be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We're going to be looking at 29 coins already, dude. Kevin Chow. Can I do Ethereum? I just did Ethereum and Bitcoin. Oh, Ethereum to Bitcoin. Sure. We can check it out. Just let me put it on the recap, right? Right, so let's finish BTHO. Bearish divergence, moving down again. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. We're moving down on that. That's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish. Part is that we're recovering and maybe try to do better. We also have it here, right? Look, negative to positive, right? So it's all good here on the 30-minute chart. That sucks. Did I leave this anchored here? No, it also on the 1 hour. Dang it. Right, so let me get rid of everything here because we're on the 30-minute chart. It's looking good on the 30-minute, right? But I want to look at this in the 1 hour and the daily first. So I forgot to change timescales. Joshua, Ethereum has to step above 1,300. Yeah, very likely. I would like it for it to step about above 1,300. So insane pump yesterday, 94% on VeChain Thor VTA show. So nothing to call here because obviously we're going higher, right? And today we're still going high, so that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, 1, 2, right? Impulse up consolidation, impulse up consolidation. Nothing bearish. We're going higher on the RSI, going higher on the MACD. So let's go to the 1 hour. Ifaloni, I will actually know when someone is live and able to do TA for you live. What? I don't get what you said. You will actually know when someone is live and able to do TA for you live? What? Can you please re-explain the comment? Because it's really confusing, bro. Our tip jar is full. What? That's crazy. We never filled the tip jar before. It's in the history of the stream. It's the first time that the tip jar is full. Congratulations, guys, on helping me fill out that tip jar. Now, tomorrow when you come in, it's probably sadly going to be empty. I really appreciate all the awesome tips that you give in this channel and helping me fill out that tip jar. It's been about a year, over a year and like a half since that jar's been there. It's the first time in its life that it's been filled. Ain't that freaking cool? I like that. Thank you guys for that awesome help. I appreciate y'all. I feel like what we do, we hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence against the RSI. We don't have it against MACD, right? So then we're trying to come up higher, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Neutral, sorry, bought at 71.22, just moved. 71.22, so it's fine, right? Are we doing something bullish? No. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Everything's fine. Nothing bearish right now. Sorry, nothing bullish. Just this strong bearish against the RSI, moving down and trying to recover. We could try to go higher, create more strong bearish, have it against the MACD and the RSI, and then probably break down from there. So thanks for that, man. Crypto Legend back. Seems like things haven't moved much. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum still about the same levels, so not a lot of movement, dude. Let's see. Let's throw some fibs out here. See where things are at, man. Let's go on the daily. Might be able to fib there a little bit better. Yeah, dude. Let's go, man. I'm gonna ignore the first wick because it could be, it's an outlier, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And now we're gonna go from high to low. That's fine. So we just got really high, dude. I'm gonna actually have to look at the high that we had here somehow. Hide this, see if it lets me see that a little bit better. Slightly higher. There we are. Pinpoint there. And then pinpointing down here as well. So with that, we're getting a very, very good hit and bounce. Rejection of that 786, but we're finding support at the 618, which, again, it's fine. Nothing wrong with this pump, dude, right? I mean, it's just insane. 94% is crazy, bro. Break back down, James. Yeah, it could get pullback, right? It wouldn't be weird if you get pullback. It did get a massive rally. It could have another small rally on it, right? We have strong bearish divergence. We could break down with that. That would be fine. We're still a little bit expanded on the MACD, on the MACD and the signal line. So we move the MACD under the signal line could bring that bearishness, right? Negative momentum to bring price action to the downside, right? So it actually could be a catalyst for this start moving down and probably start breaking down from what's at. Not sure if that's actually going to be the case. We have support at the 20 right now. That we have 0.001. This is sitting at 0.0017 right now, so we have it's 0.0014. Yeah. We'll see it move down though, right? Again, right now it's just consolidating this area, right? Impulse up, consolidation, impulse up, consolidation. Let's see how it keeps on consolidating. Let's go to band. Great. Thank you all for being here. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button and sub. Thank you for being part of this awesome community and helping us grow this channel. The last thing we had for band was bullish. Right, so hidden bullish, action to the upside, that's fine. High, slightly higher, high, low. Bearish divergence on the daily, right? Potential for action to downside, we're starting to consolidate, that's fine. On that movement down that we had here, we did go down to a 20 font support and try to pop, so that's okay also, right? That's a good move. Finding support at the 20, it's always good, right? We like that, I like that. So they are off support. The 20 moving average is a good support. Now on the other side, we're bought at 62.36. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. We had bearish divergence here, right? We ended up killing it. We still had it to there. We still have it to there. We still have it to there. It still played down. That's fine. Afterwards, we created some hidden bullish, and we had it as support at the 20 moving average, right? So that's pretty good. What? James Turner, 5 Canadian. Tots and Matic? Sure, man. We'll do Matic. Why not? I haven't looked at Matic, so I'm not sure if we looked at Matic recently. Right after this one, I'll do Matic, right? Thanks for the awesome tip, bro. Much appreciated. Right, so bearish, right? Bearishness, strong bearish, moving down, hidden bullish, pumping back up. Now high, higher, and we're still coming high to low, right? So creating more strong bearish divergence before we actually start to break down here. We have it here. Yep, we'll be anchoring from the high point, actually, from here. Let me do that. There we go. From here to here. Right, so with that action to downside, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's at the lower point. Everything here is good. We took a bounce. It's fine. I'm not finding anything bullish here for the bounce, but you know, we could try to find something on the shorter time scales. The 1 hour probably. Higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI. To a slightly higher point. Let me check. 72.82 and 73.80. So, yep. Slightly higher, so that's fine. We need to come up higher. We didn't have anything bearish here. Short term, though, against the RSI, we do. From here to here. And from here to here. Moving down. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's such a hard point. Everything here is good, right? Moving down, consolidating. Below a 20 right now. I don't like that too much, but, you know, it is what we have. It is what we have. Felonious, instead of crypto, can I look at ADA on Kraken, dude? Sure, man. I think we already did ADA, but, you know, it's I can put in the recap, and that's it, dude. All right? Thank you all for being here and for the awesome support. Now, again, that's what we have here. Bearish divergence moving down. Nothing bullish right now. Starting to consolidate here. We might have something here on the 1 hour. We'll see. High, low, high, negative, less negative, low. There's that high, right? And higher, low every time. Less negative momentum. Higher on the other side. Everything here is good. High, low, positive is positive. High on the other side, lower point. Yep. low, and dude, yeah, I'm gonna actually make this larger here so I can get a better look here. Right, so slightly lower here, coming slightly lower, and on the price, right? So high, lower, high. Then we're going negative to positive. So hidden bearish, moving down on that, finding support at the 20, which is really good. Neutral at 52.16, and do we have something else back here, man? Nothing here that is bullish for reals. Maybe we have some supports. I gotta look at fibs for band. We haven't. I don't think we've done them, dude. So we'll do fibs for band on the daily. That's fine. We'll consider this to be the local high, and then that to be the local low. And let's see where we're at with retraces, right? Also, main pinpoint the price. Let's see where things are at. Right, so again, you can tell that we're rejecting, right, that 382, going back to that 236, holding some resistance here, which is fine. Finally breaking through here. Resisted, broke through, headed up, found support at the 382, right, tried to run up above the 618, failed, came back down, try to get back up, and again, right now we're finding support at that 50% retrace, which is fine again. Nothing to worry about yet. If it breaks down, we could come here to the 382. We're going to have the 20 to also look there at support. Right now, this is at $10.07, and we could be looking for a drop to $8.46. That's where the 20 is at right now. But the 20 will keep on moving, and we'll have to keep on tracking it, right? That's banned. Let's go to Matic. Why not? Matic got requested. Let's do Matic. Matic got requested with a tip. That's what we're going to do, Matic. We haven't done Matic. Interesting. So, my thoughts are going to be once we look at the chart. But thanks for the awesome chat, James Turner. How I checked out Atom? Yeah, I just checked out Atom like 3 or 4 coins ago, man. Thank you for asking, Gadget 00. Roderick, Ripple Pump. I'm not sure, bro. Maybe. Small pump. Small chubby for Ripple. Julianne Kurtz. What? Can I do dot? Yeah, dot's for the recap, dude. We already did it, so I have it there for recap. Jason Floor. Smiling. Thank you. It's pumps and analyze it. That's good. I'll check out XRP. Thanks, Rip the Legend. Still below 29.7 something, where we had resistance. Right, Matic. Let's go. Matic to Tether. Right on. So, alright, let's try to get some fits for this. A little high to low, right? So I'm gonna move here real quick. Try to zoom in. Try to get good pinpoints for Fibonacci retracement. Right, high to low. There we are, man. What? Was all the 300 the high of the night for Ethereum? We're gonna go back. We're gonna back and recap Ethereum, dude. Can't remember if we had something bullish to it on the 1 hour or if we were bearish, but we'll go back to it in a second, though. Right on, dude. Craig Brown, was XRP pumped? The gamblers jumping in before they can't? Not sure, man. You know, a lot of exchanges are delisting it or halting trading. Kraken also added themselves to that list a couple days ago, so chances of no go there, right? Above the 786, which is fine. Again, previous high would have been here at 4.1. So higher. Let's see, high to slightly higher high here. That's fine. Do this on the daily. High to low, and then high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside for Matic. We're moving down slightly. We're trying to find support at the 786. That's great. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low nerves at the higher point. Nothing here that's bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour again. We just had a pump, so that's to be expected. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Low, high, negative. It's fine. Nothing here. high, low, positive, less positive, high, low, low, high, high, low. Bearish divergence also on the 4-hour for Matic, right? Go from here to here for one, right? And I'll show you here where, from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, move down on that. And also here on the RSI, right? So from here. Then we still managed to pump a little bit more, right? So from here to here. We still have this strong bearish divergence, right? So potential action to the downside. There we go. There we go. Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support there, and see if we're gonna try to pump back up from there, right? Great. That's for this on the 4-hour, man. Not seeing anything bullish. So let's go to the 1-hour chart for Matic. Oh, I forgot to anchor on the 4. Dang it. I knew I forgot something. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Thanks for being part of this awesome community. And if you joined us on the Discord already and you're here regular, remember, you can put pre-stream requests. That way you don't have to queue up coins. While we are live, you can come in, coins will be queued up, and that'll be awesome, right? Because you save time. It's pretty cool for y'all, and it's pretty cool for me as well, right? And you can be on the Discord and chat with me. Also, if you donated, you're going to get access on the Discord to a special portion where you can also just queue coins up prior to the regulars, right? So that's also pretty cool. And that's just as a way of saying thank you for the donations that you give in this channel. So, low, high. More negative, low, lower, right? So, right on. Let me zoom in here first. Let's check the ant tail. Low, high, negative. Let me make this larger, bro. Negative, less negative. Low, higher, that's fine. Low, high, that's fine here as well. As we were coming up higher here, we had bearish divergence against the MACD. Alright, so I'm going to anchor this in the 1-hour. That way I won't make the same mistake of forgetting to anchor. Bearish divergence, actually downside, breaking us down below 20. Rejected the 20, moving lower. Now, I wish we would be making something bullish. We might have something on the half-hour. We also have something here. It's hidden bullish against the RSI. I don't like where I'm going to anchor from on the RSI for this. I would much rather anchor from back here. All right, so low, high, and then we'll be going low to high as well. But this is the only thing it would seem to make sense for some kind of hidden bullish and this potential reversal that we're getting right now in price action. Like I said, the half-hour might have something a little bit better. I'm just going to make this larger, more negative. Nope, lower, more negative, lower than the previous one. Right, see here it's much clearer, right? So here we're going from here to here on the half-hour on Matic, and we're definitely coming in much lower, right? This is more evident here, right? And it's hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. We might try to climb up and hit that 20 on the half-hour at 3.5. So yeah. Joshua says, something has been bothering me lately. I feel most of the people, or majority of the people in the market, the new people in the market, and some of the old people are, what? Are in it just to make money, right, on Bitcoin. So people are forgetting that Bitcoin can change the world for the better. Yeah. Blake says, I believe the central is going to make me rich. Interesting. Dude, that's it for Matic. Again, it has some hidden bullish. It could try to resist and try to go up on the half-hour, on the 1-hour, right? Maybe to that 20. That would be a potential target. 3.5 on the 1-hour. It doesn't have anything else, though, unfortunately. And it would be really nice if it had at least some strong bullish for a pump. This is the only thing I'm seeing. Again, short term, it's still an uptrend, right? Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. This one did play out. Let's see if this hidden bullish can try to have us recover. I'm not seeing anything else short term. No double bottoms, you know, no head and shoulders, nothing cool to call right now. You know, just regular market motion. Again, we care about the short term and what's going to play out immediately, right? Sand, dude, Crypto Legend. I don't think I'm going to be able to do Sand, man. I'm already half past gone. I have Algo, THX, and NMR, and then recaps, bro. Shanna Linton, have I gone over curve? No, I haven't. No one's requested it. It's midnight. You know, what the hell? Let's do it, man. I'll be cool. Who was it that requested something? Sand and curve, right? Sure, why not? Let's throw them in the mix, right? Alright, I'm just gonna start moving quick through some of the projects, guys. I still have 3 more coins to do. 5 more, including the last 2. I'm really tired already. We've done over 29 coins or 27 coins, some crazy number. And I still got to do markets. I haven't done silver, gold, and major markets. Let's do algo. This one should be easy. Should be easy because we have it a couple times. So, right, bearish divergence on algo. Action to the downside. We're moving down below the 618, right, and below our resistance or previous support at 58.81. So again, now it's going to become resistance, which is good. Bought at 64.13. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, moving down on that, finding support at the 20, breaking below 55.81 again, 55.81 cents. We held support for a couple of candles. We really tried to not lose it. We just lost it, unfortunately. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, on the other side of the hard point. Again, bearish divergence playing us down, and we called that one yesterday, 2 days ago. Sorry, 2 days ago, probably. Yesterday. We already changed dates. I look at the computer time, it says it's the 19th, but you know, we're on the 18th. So yesterday we called this. Let's go to the 1 hour. The Wilder curve, and I'm not sure what else is happening there. Yeah, I already did Girth, Just, Levi. It should have been the 8th project that we looked at tonight. High, higher. High, higher, high, higher. Everything here is good. Right? Last thing we had was bullish. Pumping that. Great. We hadn't created anything bearish. Dropping now. Make this larger, man. Negative, less negative. Low, high. Low, higher. High, low, high, low, high, low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish right now. Again, just consolidating here, flagging a little bit. Down sloping consolidation. That's kind of good, right? Go like that. Go like that. Not liking that. That's our consolidation pattern. Go like that, though. Because you have fake breakout. All right. Still not liking it, though. Or if I should just do the wicks and go with the wicks, and would it look? It would make a better pattern, right? I could go with the wicks, I guess. Potential falling wedge for Algorand. Again, not really doing anything. It's just consolidating sideways, right? A little bit down sloping, but sideways. THX. We never looked at THX, man. Can't find a coin THX. Someone said THX. It's not here. Unless you were talking about stock and you tell me this is stock. So I'm going to go to NMR now. We looked at NMR before. Great. I'll go back to XRP in a second. Is it really pumping a lot? 32. Yeah. Next target, right? Next target to the upside. Hitting it right on. See? Target. We're here. We had bearish divergence. Move down on that slightly. Great. We talked about hitting this area and potentially hitting that area. It's fine. We had bullish divergence on the 4 hour and on the daily, right? We had this old bullish divergence. 4 hour. Yeah, we kind of killed this divergence. Went higher. That's fine. Again, alts, right? The title. Alts pumping, right? Finally pumping. Trying to get above. If it really gets above 32, you can get a shot at going for 37.07. That's interesting for XRP. I know I skipped NMR. I'm going to go back to it. XRP is breaking, so it's good, man. Really started putting in a lot here, man. Funny thing is that we don't have anything on the technicals, right? Even the half hour, higher. Negative more. Maybe in the half hour we have some hidden bullish. That could work, right? Just didn't come to a half hour in XRP. And on the daily and on the 1 hour, we didn't have anything there. So, so hidden bullish, actually the upside. But again, this insane rally that it's getting, it's really not from hidden bullish, right? You shouldn't be getting that on hidden bullish. You should be getting that on some strong bullish, maybe some head and shoulders. You know, some like nice double bottom or something that could be right, making it go up, right? But again, yeah, it's going up a lot. Ethereum still going lower, still no, 1,329, right? Ethereum holding. XRP starting to move a lot. Interesting. Interesting to see XRP move so much. Now the 4 hour, it's fine. In the daily, let's see. The daily is going to start creating strong bearish divergence for XRP. Right now, you could say we're moving sideways. We could be going slightly higher, right, if you wished to say that, right? Wherever we're at there, right? Abouts. And then you're going to be coming in lower here on the MACD, right? So it's going to start creating strong bearish divergence at some point in time. Again, I don't have anything against XRP. I used to hold a lot of it, and I exited a while back. So put it in something else. It was starting to do better for me. So I'm great. XRP pumping, awesome. Great for you guys if you're holding XRP, right? Julian Kurt said something. You've been indicating all week as much as you can. That's pretty good, man. Education is key to trading. Bitcoin still stagnant. Ethereum still at 5%. XRP just took off, right? Like a rocket. It's nice. Right, let's go back to NMR. Why not? That's what we're going to do. Congrats if you're holding XRP again. Didn't have anything on the technicals on the daily and the 1 hour. So it's running on whatever we had in the half hour. NMR, let's go there. We're looking for something bearish here on the daily. Climb up there. This tracks onto there. And this we kind of lose, right? So we have that bearish divergence against the MACD. Potential fraction to the downside. Let's see how that's going to play out. Probably above the 20, which is fine. Again, used as support before that pump. Bought at 60.60. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Korean about to sigh. Yeah. You still here? You're still here about to sigh? Thank you for being here, guys. Again, if you like the content, hit the like button on the sub, right? Thank you for being here. High, low, low, high, low, high. High, low, low, high. Great. Now, from here, could call it from back here, right? High to lower high on the 4 hour. And then we're going low to high, right? There we go. Hidden. Bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Started coming down slightly. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, high, higher. Wait, this is already played, so you know it's there, but you know it's not gonna be as nice. Bearish divergence strong. Potential action to the downside. Oh, he's been here, dude. Thanks for still being here, dude. Just hadn't chatted, so I haven't seen you. Thanks for being here, man. Wow, you're multitasking, bro. Hello, right? Action downside, great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point. Neutral at 52.25. Again, we have that strong bearish potential action to downside. That's what we're looking at. Still, MACD and the signal lines diverging, downsloping. So again, we could still be making negative momentum and probably lose a little bit of that price. That's it for an MR, dudes. Yeah, damn, dude. Now it's time to do sand and then curve, and that's it, guys. No more requests. That's it. I gotta close it there. Sand, curve, and then recap. That's it. Y'all want to play with some sand? Where's the sand at? 5.10. Great. Let's go on the daily. Haven't looked at sand in a while. High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher. Low, bearish divergence, hidden. Right, first things first. Hidden bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. Get moved down slightly. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. It's good. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right. Some strong bullish divergence here. Slanted within the same island, right? From here to here, from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And we're trying to pump on that, right? Please note that he has been streaming for 3 hours straight, non-stop talking about TA. Respect. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Oh, what's that? Chap new. I wish my demo account in the trading app was real. Yeah, dude. Interesting. XRP dump begins. Yeah, maybe, dude. All insane pumps get pulled back. I'm not sure if it's there or not. We're going to go back to it again later on. I did put it for the recaps. I just wanted to see it because people were like happy that it was pumping. So we're going to go to Ethereum Master. I finish sounding curve, right? We'll see where it's at. Short term higher, more positive higher. That's fine. Nothing here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Dude, I'm not going to do fibs right now on any of the coins that I haven't done. It's not that I don't want to do them in detail. I'm just really tired right now, and I want to start doing other stuff. Again, I've been up since really early today, right? So just keep that into account. Like, usually I have very long days when I do crypto. Bearish divergence action to downside slightly, right? It's slightly going down. I wish it was going down with more strength. High, where is this high closing here? Close at 5234, 5236, slightly higher. Yeah, we can work with that. Slightly higher, and then still here coming slightly lower, and also coming here slightly lower. So strong bearish divergence action to downside, sort of move down. But again, it's just sideways motion, really. It's really not playing it too strong. Neutral at 59.91. Let's go to the 1 hour. Lower, and here we are. We're native there. No, we are doing some strong bullish divergence. Negative, less negative. Oh, lower, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, trying to recover, hitting that 20, rejecting it once, two. We might reject it a third time. If we don't get above that 20, we're looking for potential drop. Neutral at 50.45. That's it. Here we had some strong bearish divergence, reaction to the downside. On sand, moving down on that, right? Look from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. That's it. Awesome stuff happening there on sand, right? Great. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, high. That's fine. That's it for sand. Let's go to curve, dudes. We never looked at the curve before, so we gotta go with this one, I guess. See what $1.47. Great. We're looking on the daily. We're going higher, more positive, higher. Overbought at 77.40, so nothing bearish right now. Pumped 27%. Crazy days ago. Moving down slightly, just flagging, consolidating this level, $1.47. Nothing here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, dude. Gotta really zoom in here. Higher, that's fine. Nothing here that is bearish. Only against the RSI, right? So from here to here and from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, action downside, moving down. Close to 20. I would have loved for a hit on the 20 at least. The 20 right now sitting at $1.42. Low, high, negative, less negative, I believe. Let's see. Negative, less negative. Yep. And low to high. So nothing bullish right now. Maybe the 1 hour has something. But this is fine. Bearish divergence moving down, consolidating, right? You can say it's moving sideways or consolidating down, sloping since it pumped. So it's looking good. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, the 1 hour, right? Coming up higher. Look at this. High to low, right? Strong bearish divergence moving down. Great. Low, high. Low, higher, low, right? Negative. More negative, and also lower on the RSI, so hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. I think that small pop failed to go higher than the previous high, thus continuation of the bearishness and trying to move down again, but we're also failing to go lower, so we're consolidating here this level again, 147. That's fine. Nothing else is happening here, right? That's just it for now on curve. That's it, dude. Gotta go. Charles Hoskinson is live. Great, iFaloni. He's probably going to talk about XRP or something, right? ADA, sure, man. I'll do that on the recap. Let's go back up here. Someone said Ethereum pumping. Let's see where it's at. Still at 5, 6. Great. 1,333, man. Awesome. Do we have something here? Curve. That's it. Right. 4 hour, I think we had something bullish. Nope, bearish. Still have this bearishness there. We like I said, right? They could come all the way up here. We'll still have strong bearish probably. We're not going to shake it off by the time we get to 1,394 or 1,420. You know, just checking it out for what it is. Some potential moving to the downside. We moved down slightly on the 4 hour. Now we're trying to recover, right? High, higher, possible, high, higher. Nothing bearish right now on the 1 hour. So we're clear. Half hour, we also checked it. We're clear, right? Now, if we go, what happens if we go higher here, right? What happens if we go here? Like slightly higher? We're going to start creating bearish divergence. We're going to go there, and then we're going to be coming down here. Look. Like that, right? And also like that on the RSI. So we might start manufacturing strong bearish divergence on Ethereum. Again, nothing wrong against it pumping. It just depends on how strong it's going to pump. if it pumps really strong, we could be looking for a hit of the 13,800, maybe 14,000 area. It's really going to depend on how strong the pump is. If it's a weak pump, it's going to create strong bearish divergence. It might make it trigger to the downside. We'll see how that's behaving. Quick recap. Let's go to XRP. Someone said 33, dude. Is it? Nope. 31, dude. 31.6. Rejected 32, right? Getting pullback. Oh no, XRP getting the pullback. Right. Last time we called and when we came back to revisit, not the first time, but when we revisited XRP, we figured out that we had some hidden bullish, and that's what's making it pump. It doesn't have anything on the 1 hour though, right? Overbought. Weird. Right, so that's it for Ethereum recap. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin recap. What do we have in the 1 hour, right? Hidden bullish, taking a high. So high, low, positive, high, low. We're just moving sideways. We're trying to go up on Bitcoin. Great, we're about to start going positive. We're at negative 0.03%. $11 down. I mean, it's perfectly capable of coming up here, dude, for reals. So again, you know what we said, consolidation. We've been calling it for a while. We've just been saying consolidation, sideways motion. That's what we're getting for Bitcoin. So I'm not super worried. I'm actually more intrigued as to where we're going to break. And the consolidation that we're making, being a triangle, you can't break it away. So not the best consolidation. It would have been better to do a falling wedge sort of consolidation. At least we know it has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. But, you know, just the type of consolidation that it's doing is not the best. So, except for going up or down, doesn't have anything bearish. It's pulling back though. All right, we talked about pullback. Dude, I'm probably missing chat. I think the most crypto big moves happen during daytime in Europe, nighttime for the Americas. Is it for real? Yeah, I would say some of them happen also at 7 or around that 7 p.m. when Asia comes online, and then also Europe does move it. But if you look at sometimes also 7 in the morning pumps, right? Like I've woken up sometimes and just like, you know, 7, 8, it's moving. But, you know, probably the Europeans say the same thing. It's like, oh, the Americans always drop the market or, you know, pump the market when we're in the office. Or the Asians said when we're sleeping, right? Dude, SNX. Sure, we'll recap SNX. Someone said SNX recap. SNX, what do we had, man? Let's go on the daily. We had bearish divergence, right? Could move down on that. Again, overbought 74.30 on the 4 hour. Bearish divergence moving down, trying to climb back up again. We didn't have anything bullish. Again, we're consolidating at this area. $15.64 neutral at 56.56. And on the 1 hour. Jason Floor, I only slept around 3 hours during the altcoin season. Wow. Huh. Sideways, again, bearish divergence, right? Potential action to the downside. We're moving down there, heading for that 20. We haven't quite hit it yet. I was really hoping to hit that area. Let's see what we're doing, right? Yeah, let's see how SNX behaves, right? It doesn't have anything bullish. It just has this hidden bearish. It went down to the 20 or close to the 20. It hasn't even hit it, so you could try to bounce there. On a support of the 20. That's it for SNX, dude. Yuma, sure, bro. A lot of requests. Yuma. Quick recaps, right? Quick recaps, because we already did them. So the only thing we can do right now is correcting what we said. So bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside against the RSI. That's fine. Still overbought at 72.48. 4 hour. What do we had? Bearish divergence. Remember? I forgot to anchor this one on the 1 hour. Great. How do I know? Makes no sense where it's at. So it's 4 hour. That's great. Awesome. So there we go. Right, and then over a larger time scale also we had bearish divergence. So it's still in play. We get down, right? So that's for Yuma on the daily. We're clear, so we're good. Rejecting the 50% line at $12.31 right now, $12.04. Yeah, that's it for Yuma. Dot. Let's go Yuma. Dot, sorry. I wrote got. See, the brain and the fingers are starting to go now. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Thank you for being part of this awesome community and helping us out here to grow. Thinking about the tip jar. I think I might just leave it full until it like overflows and the coins just start like fall off. I think it's gonna look cool. Who knows? Dude. Next starting to stiffen also. Well, let's do this, dude. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Overbought at 73.35 on the 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence. That's it for you, my right. We already checked it out. Bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Bearish divergence. Awesome. Now dot. Where's dot? Here it is. Dot. We had bullishness, right? Hidden bullish. Sorry, strong bullish. Actually, the opposite. We're getting above that 20. We're trying to hold on to that and try to pump. Tightness on the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. That's great. Neutral at 51.28. Let's see if we can materialize this strong bullish divergence into a pump. Let's go to the 4 hour. Also, hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. It's been climbing. Still below a 20 on the 4 hour. Again, let's see if we can materialize this into an actual pump. Let's go to the daily. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Starting to flag again. Consolidation. Down sloping. Looking good. Nothing else happening with dot. Someone said Ethereum to Bitcoin. Sure. I think I have a couple of them open. I just haven't looked at them recently. So they're going to be outdated. And I'm just going to look for whatever, right? I'm just going to look at the recent stuff. Look, Bitcoin to Ethereum, right? On the daily. High, higher. Getting above that 786, which is really good. But it's creating strong bearish divergence, right? Against its same island. Which means that Ethereum could be looking for a potential drop against Bitcoin. Right? Just be careful with that. Again, we're going higher on the RSI. Just bought at 68.81. So again, we could be looking for a potential drop. Ethereum, or Bitcoin either pumping and Ethereum stagnating, right? That could give Ethereum to lose a little bit here, or Ethereum could drop a little bit in price and Bitcoin could sustain, and that could happen also, right? Emilio Bernard, dude, not tonight, man. Right? I'm almost done with the stream, bro. I'm super tired. I've done who knows how many coins. Still gotta do markets, and that's gonna be it, right? Emilio, not tonight, bro. Tomorrow. If you come in here tomorrow, I start at 9 p.m. Central. I've been live for 3 hours and change already. 3 hours and 22 minutes. I'm just doing recaps right now. Julian Kurtz, you're in Arizona? Awesome, bro. That's pretty cool. Go to the 4 hour. Also in the 4 hour, look, we're having this strong bearish divergence, right? We're in here, and here to here, right? And also here to here on the other side, dude. Yeah, I believe so. Let's see, 75.17 and 74, slightly lower. So I'm just gonna go like that. Again, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. Let's see if we actually drop. Overbought at 75.18. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It's Jay. You have an opinion on running scalper bots? I hate bots, dude. One quick second, guys. Be right back. I'm back. Awesome. Wife brought me tea. Isn't that cool? She knows my voice started to go like weird. So she's like, I brought you tea. I was like, thank you. Ethereum, Bitcoin, high, higher. Positive, more positive. What is this? 81.43. 81.76. It doesn't have anything bearish here in the 1 hour. That's fine. So for Ethereum, dude, if I zoom in, am I going to find something bearish? I hope not. Yeah, very slightly. Very slight bearishness here. Slightly higher, right? Very, very slightly higher. Ah, damn it, dude. Strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour, but it's just nano. It's like on a 3 hour period, dude. Right? I don't like that. They usually don't play out as strong or as well, but it's there. We'll go with that. Yeah, dude, I'll do an ADA recap. It's actually up next, right? So, ADA and then XRP again, right? That's the request so far. So, ADA, man, let's go there. ADA to $1, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, the daily. Bearish divergence moving down again, rejecting 40 cents. Nothing off with that. Again, consolidating this area. Neutral, sorry, bought at 69.29. Below support, right now resistance, 37.02. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, look, bearish divergence moving us down. Hidden bullish trying to pump us up. Still failing to get above 37.02. We know it's a resistance now. We wicked it and we rejected. The highest point we got to was 37.08. So very, like a fraction of a cent. We're neutral at 56.25. Again, you know, hidden bullish could try to get us to go higher, and holding support at the 20, that would be good. We could try to get a pump to 40 again. But first we get above 37, right? If we drop below the 20, what we talked about, we could come down here to 38. Sorry, 33.88, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have strong bullish divergence, actually the opposite, but it's failing to get us higher, right? Look, this wick here, 37.02 hit here spot on. 37.0205, here we have it at 37.02.5, right? Look at the high there, 37.02, 37.025032. We have it at 37.0258, right? So it's like we're looking at fractions of a cent, right? Malvo, thank you for being here. Cheers. When people see the rise, they're gonna FOMO in. Yeah, they always FOMO in, dude. That's it for ADA, right? Again, some bullishness. Let's hope it plays out. About to get across the MACD over the signal line, under the 0 line, above the 200, right? So it could be really good for ADA. Let's let me confirm we're above the 200. I do believe we're above the 200. We are above the 200. Great. So again, it could be good in, right? I called that earlier. XRP. If we get this cross, it could be a really good in. Right? When we get this cross. XRP, man. Pulling back, 31.52. Right. We already checked it, right? We established it on the half hour. We didn't look at this on the first run through, right? Because we barely come here. But on the half hour, we had some hidden bullish. And now, all of a sudden, it just skyrocketed. So, doesn't have anything bearish. Rejecting the 32.76, right? 4 hour, again, rejection there. Nothing bearish. High, higher, positive, high, higher. Bought at 68.86. That's it for XRP, man. How many people do we have subbed to this channel, man? Damn. Thank y'all for being here, guys. I really appreciate y'all for your awesome support. If you like what we do, for reals, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome channel. We have a great community being built here. A lot of people are starting to come in here. I'm starting to see a lot of regulars like Joshua. It's always here. You know, a lot of people here. XRP's alive. Yeah, it started to move, right? Like, but it's getting pulled back. Oh no, who knew? Right, I'm seeing a lot of people starting to come in here. Korean Batosai, everyone, a lot of guys. I love you guys are becoming regular. It's not like that, right? That makes the stream so much better because we really are forming a really cool community. And yeah, I thank you all for being here and the awesome support, right? Thank you, Joshua, for the kind words. Continue to be here. While you do that, Korean Batosai asked me to do something earlier on. I gotta check it out. I just cannot do it here because I gotta log into somewhere. But let me check this, man. Will they show on this? I should be logged in. I don't think I should be logged out. Great, I'm here. Batosai, nothing's come in yet. Right? Look. Right? On YouTube, 0. So nothing there yet, man. Well, they're still not here, man. Yep. So I want to actually log on to Brave, see if they had something there, but it's working really weird. Thanks for those 10 bats, dude. I'm checking, dude. I'm really trying to log in. It's just sending me an email to like log in, and that's what I'm trying to check right now. Sorry guys if you see me stalling here. Actually, change something out here. How much did you send, Batosai? In total, like including both, you sent a total of 37 bats a few hours ago. All right, so yeah, some of it arrived. It just arrived at the bat website, right? Not at the Uphold wallet. So it just arrived here, right to the crypto, 35. So if you sent 37, they took 2 and change. So that's how much they took. So thanks for that, man. Thanks for awesome 35 bats, man. Much appreciated. I'm not sure why it's not an Uphold, but you know, it's just not showing there. See, Uphold just shows 0. So it's weird. Maybe it takes time for it to transfer, but yeah. Francisco Peña, XLM, sure, man. We can look at XLM real quick. All right, we already did it earlier, so it's a quick recap. Maybe, dude. I'm not sure. Like, it's the first time I've ever been tipped there, so I hope so. You know, I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's do. Someone said XLM. Sure, man. Why not? Let's recap XLM. Oh, dude. This is it. I think after this, I'm gonna be done for tonight. Thank y'all for being here, by the way. Hi, Hire. Let's zoom in here, right? We might be creating some bearish divergence. On the 4 hour, finally something, because we didn't have any earlier when we were looking at this, I think so. High low, right? Or positive less positive, and then low high. This could still go down. We rejected 31.93 again. That was a target. Fine, rejecting it. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see if we manage to hold on to this. Sorry, not hidden. Strong bearish divergence. And right now neutral at 57.64 on the RSI. So. Also high to low. I also have that bearish divergence against the RSI. Great. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour. High to low, low to high, right? We had the bearish divergence, move down, try and take a pump. Great. Now, are we going higher? Yeah, we're going higher. We're also going higher, and we're going higher than here. Yep. Everything's moving higher now. So the bearish divergence played out to here. That's great. Now, if we keep on tracking and go here, we no longer have it. And that's fine. We have it on the 4 hour. We might have something on the 30 minute. Who knows? Bitcoin, sure, bro. We already did rich coin. Rich coin. Rich. We already did Bitcoin. Ethereum is getting rejected at the top of the Bollinger. On what time scale? Filoni, let me know. Sure, Francisco, no problem, bro. Bitcoin starting to move up, right? It's doing positive, 0.10%, great, or 0.19, depending on what chart we're looking at. It's not really doing a lot. It's going up a little bit. That's fine. Half hour, it doesn't have anything, right? It's good on the charts right now. We can run. We had this bearishness here on the half hour, right? Move down. That's fine. Trying to get above that 20. Trying to reclaim 37,275. Like I said, if we keep on rejecting this level, it's going to be bad. But, you know, remember when we were looking at triangle? Let me go to another Bitcoin chart. Remember we were doing this triangle and we said, look, it could be an upsloping triangle. And that happens to be the case, more or less. So we're in an upsloping triangle. Let's see how that fares, right? So yeah. How can I get off when Ethereum is on the banana? Let's go check out Ethereum, dude. Where's it at? 1,338. What? It's trying to claim its previous high. That's great. You should remember this, right? We're going to start creating bearish divergence. Not really going higher, dude. Already rejected almost the same level. Where did we open up here? Look. We opened at 1,343. We got to a high of 1,342. Slightly lower than the previous closing. We're rejecting that area. Let's see if we can go higher, dude. We'll just be on Ethereum. We're not going to look at anything else. That's it, dude. I'm done. XRP bouncing off the middle of the Bollinger Band. Really? Yeah, I was rejecting the top of the Bollinger Band. You're right. Whoever said that Ethereum was rejecting the top of the Bollinger Band, it's correct. XRP doing something. 30. Oh, no. 30.9. Ooh. Under 1 hour. Did drop slightly lower, right? It got to the Bollinger Bands at 30.65. Great. Back to Ethereum. That's it, guys. That's going to be it for tonight, guys. It's been a super stream. I enjoyed being here very much. Bitcoin having a mini choppy. Yeah, I seen that green candle coming in. It looks good, man. Bitcoin just crossed the top of the Bollinger Bands. Ooh, let's go check out Bitcoin. That means it's overextended, man. If it no, it hasn't. What time scale, dude? Give me a time scale because it's not doing it here. Not on the 1 hour. On the 5 minute, dude. I'm not gonna go to 5 minute. It's just gonna pull back down. You always come back into the Bollinger Bands. Either that, or the Bollinger Bands is extend and catch up to you. But look, every time it pulls below the Bollinger Bands, you tend to pull back up, and then Bollinger Bands keep on extending and catch up with them. But I pull down, I might get pullback right to get back into the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Nice one, yeah. Julian Kurtz says we're going to get Ethereum to do above 1,200 for the rest of the week. That'll be nice. Check out for a vertical mouse. Why would I want a vertical mouse? Fire, beard, or beard. Firebeard. Ye named like a Viking. Drink some mead. But Firebeard, why would I want a vertical mouse, dude? Let me know the advantages. I'm like not being a dick or anything. I really don't know about vertical mouses, so I'm genuinely intrigued as to why a vertical mouse better than a regular mouse. Oh snap, music dropped. I hope the stream doesn't drop. The music just dropped. There we go. Much more comfortable ergonomic if you're on the PC a lot. It's good for the wrist. Oh, it's cool, man. Thanks. I didn't know that. 1080 target buy Ethereum. Good luck with that one. London 639. I know Europe's coming on a little bit. It might pump, right? Stone Cutton. I'm not sure how to say your last name, but guys, I'm gonna thank you for being here. I'm gonna finish the stream right now. Y'all know where Ethereum can go, right? We have targets to the upside and the downside. We talked about them. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all the tips that you've given me tonight, all the support to the channel, all the subs, all the likes. If you really like the content, like I said earlier, and you believe that this could be of use to people that you know, share our links to videos on the social networks, right? Let people know that we are live. Join me on Twitter, right? Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here, right? We're building a community, and if your friends aren't a community that you're in, it could be really cool for them, right? All-time high. Yeah, we're talking about all-time high, not the long-term downtrend, but yeah. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you like the content, I hope you find it to be of education and entertaining value to you. Again, all we do here is for entertainment and education. So don't trade based on what you see here. It's all for for those reasons. I really enjoyed being here tonight. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. I'll be here tomorrow again, so we can keep on chatting and we can keep on looking at the markets and see if Ethereum made an all-time high. If who knows what's gonna go where. We'll see where calls went and what we're talking about. But Guys, thank you for being here. I hope you'll enjoy the show. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.